Ragashanti.
Top of the morning to you, Jamaica. Top of the morning to you. Top of... Tell her to come in now. Bam, bam, bam. See diggy diggy dam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Dingy dingy dam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Man diggy dam, dam, dam. Good morning, Jamaica. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the show. The real Jamaican talk show, Ragashanti live, righteous and think. And I don't know the thing set up. I be a vibes and niceness we bring when we come with it proper, you know. Want to say good morning. Want to say enough respect to the Most High, the Blessed One up there who make this all possible for us. Enough respect to all of my country people, Enough respect to the all elderly people up there, all elderly people, aged people. Enough respect and blessings to you all. Big respect to all of my church people and all of my God people. Enough respect all Rasta man and Rasta woman out there. Large up on say maximum respect. Everybody from, different ethnic background. We no matter whether you're Syrian, whether you're Lebanese, whether you're a Jew, whether you're Christian, whichever denomination, whether you're of African descent, we not watch nothing, we big up everybody saying, I just saw the thing set up so wrong, so down, so under, so, well, yeah, wrong, so, and the topic of the week again is, what is the biggest Ginalship you ever see? What is the wickedest con you ever see run, right? I'm going to call in this week and tell about it. And Ruthie have somebody we're going to talk to it about, con and all them something there. I'm just that tell you about one. So, you have, Reggie, you have this Rasta brother who always done that. This about 2 years ago or something. And him always in a wheelchair. So one day I cross from Waterloo Road. So I cross the road like I go Mega Mart. Like you go straight cross on Canadian Embassy. And if you go cross, you see some new complex there, some new apartment complex to your right. And thing. But when it did that build up, one day I drive and all of a sudden, it's a wheelchair that I see run out in front of me. And the wheelchair that I run, I look on it, some of those break up car, you don't know. I learn to drive a foreign, and I think when them drilling, when I learn to drive, they say, once you see a ball, a kid is coming after. So you brake whenever you see a ball. Them drill that in a foreign, So it's like automatic. So you see at me see a wheelchair, me just say somebody will come after. Now wheelchair, and I just get up and I run. So I pause. You see me look round. No, the brother me see I run towards the wheelchair. The brother when I always see out there, now him me see I run towards the wheelchair, I become I look at me and I said, no, man, I know that wheelchair, And I him me see, you see me look about 3 man, me see back him with knife, I think, I tell you, said me that got hand it to him, usually me not get involved in a certain thing because just so Jamaica stay, you see me? I'm going to say, boom, I'm going to draw down and I'm going to say, yo, give me a blind. The boy a thief, my Ginal. I'm ready to see my run. I'm going to tell them that I stab him up, I'm going to say, give me a blind. I'm going to go tell him, I say, what you do them things for him? Say, well, him say, I glean, I'm used to sell and ray, and nothing now go on. So, him get the wheelchair and I saw him eat him food, and thing. Some say, yeah, tell people, say, you're cripple, you're not cripple. Him say, but I saw it, I forgot, man, I eat and thing, and interestingly, this is what he said to me. No, listen to the kind of what I sell out. You hear me, Like even I say, no, but I reach him at me eat no food, but now I go out there and go thief, No, I say therein lies the psychological disorder. Or when many people do certain things and them say them have to do it. Because for them justification for what them have to do, you know, it's no longer a bad thing, you know. Right? Can he might say, yeah, me have to just stay in the wheelchair and tell people I'm a cripple even though I'm not cripple and take money. I'd rather do that than go thief. Yeah? So you have a whole heap of can out there, so I want to call in and tell you what is the big. Hey, I have one I'm going to tell you soon about one one woman do, man. Her husband come home and house empty, a beer echo when him talk. Me suit kind of wonder bad because he might get divorced and never even know him divorced. Anyway, bring in a call and I create right. I want a good call for warm up the morning, you know. Morning.
I can't believe I'm calling all the way from my bed and have me waiting like this on the digital phone. Raga, my vibes cut, trust me.
Listen, I'm going to tell you that last time again. When you call, I want to wait. You don't start off by telling me so wait. Everybody wait. It's so the show when I don't want to call and complain, yeah?
You don't need to get upset for
But
me.
you get upset for me?
No, me not get upset for you. Big woman thing, you know.
Okay, all right then, baby. Osha. Hello? Hello? Well, I guess her point was made. You have her number? All right. Call back here, baby, and work up a thing here because she's a big man thing, so also can work up here. But people, for real, the show run with me, I give commentary. That is a deliberate thing. I am giving commentary. We talk to callers, we play music, different things. I saw the show run. So from what day, everybody are getting patient and I call and I cuss me. I'm not in it and I know, so me head not to write it. So I don't want to call and I cuss and I complain. All right, morning. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Morning, Ragashanti.
Good morning.
My name is Angela. First time on your program.
Welcome to the family, Angela.
Oh, Lord, it is so good. Every day I'm at work listening to you.
All right.
And I tell you, everybody at my workplace have them liquor thing in them ears listening to Ragashanti.
All right.
And you are a joy, Raga. You are a joy.
Thank you so much for those
I
kind
haven't
words.
been listening to you for long, you know. It's just since this year. And I tell you, I enjoy your show. It's a shame.
Okay.
Yes. I'm not on the topic for today. It's about the dopey thing.
Yeah.
Because I'm always at work and I can't call in.
Yeah.
Did you hear about the one? One of my co-workers in Raga went to a family funeral. And they took the picture. And the dopey posed off in front of the picture.
No, man, no. You're joking, make you serious?
Raga, me I tell you, me have the picture right now in my Bible.
And you see the person in the picture?
The dopey does pose off Raga in the picture.
The same person who dead in the picture?
No, not the same person, another dopey.
Oh, so another person funeral, I want different dopey.
I want different dopey.
I want to recognize a dopey there.
She recognized the dopey because when she came home, when them clean the picture now, and them go home, and them I say, who the person you come in front of her husband? I say, all right, make him carry it back at the studio where it's clean, right? And make them see if him print the negative and it come back, that means say it's somebody in front of the picture for you.
Yeah.
So her husband carry back at the photo studio, clean it.
Yeah.
And when her husband clean the negative, it come back pan it same way Raga.
So you sure I never like somebody else to just jump in front of a picture and not take it?
Raga, me I tell you, say, it was a big thing on CVM. CVM make all a documentary out of it.
I want me hear about that one there, me hear about that one there.
So, Raga, Dopey real, man.
Dopey really there for true?
Oh, you mean, man? Then the man just Mr. Raga, if you ever see him just pose off, you know, but you don't see him head.
Oh.
Because them say you can't see them head. You know, see them features.
No, man, yeah, people, you can't see them features.
Right.
Oh.
But I'm in a yellow suit and the man just pose up in the yellow suit, you know.
In a yellow suit?
Yes.
Then I would have bury somebody in a, well, yeah, I know somebody bury in a yellow suit. Yellow was his favorite color. So
tell you, Raga.
I tell you, so you believe in a dopey straight?
Yeah, me believe in it, Raga.
So what me I say? So if anybody can turn dopey, that means leaders can turn dopey too, don't it?
Boy, me feel so Raga,
right.
Yes.
Then and it possible say we must all have dopey in a parliament too, don't it?
Yeah, man, they mean the Raga.
Dopey in a parliament?
Yeah, they mean
dopey in a parliament right now?
Yeah,
you sure about that?
Man.
Me believe so, yeah, man, because me hear convincingly say three of them in a parliament right now. Dopey there everywhere. Dopey there everywhere, dopey in a parliament right now.
everywhere them the Raga, everywhere. And another little thing, Raga, the other day me go work and one of my co-workers said to me, say, you ever see this before when me look me see like a icky pan a leg? So me say then I'm
Well, where the icky there?
Pan a leg.
Icky
it look like a icky, Raga.
Oh, okay.
So me I said to her, say,
don't tell me say a dopey a kiss her leg.
She say a pinchy dopey pincher.
My God, touch and clear. Touch and
pinchy dopey pincher.
I like them look good though.
Yeah, man.
I like them. I tell you, say.
Nice, like a Christian woman in a Raga.
You see it, I tell you, say them dopey there, them sell off, cause if your leg look good, your leg are gonna get dopey pinched though.
Then there, Raga, then there.
And nobody can convince you otherwise.
Nobody can convince me, say they know, then there.
So how you deal with them? What you do feel like no make them bother you or them?
Raga, you know, so me never see them yet,
they
never come amongst me yet.
Okay.
Me never have no swell head, and Raga, me sleep on my back every night.
You sleep on your back every night?
Every night.
And
I can't sleep on my side of my belly.
And no dopey never sort you out yet. No dopey never sort you out and touch you up or pinch you.
Never.
But you believe say dopey a sort out other woman who sleep on them back like what them say last week? You believe that?
Yeah, me see, said you mean, Raga, them and they needs not tell me how dopey a ride her, man, jump on her back.
You see, wait, tell where it go, how that go?
She said she go home the night and go in and lay down on the bed on her belly. And she definitely feel when somebody jump on her back. And she start to fight him off and
fight him off.
Buking in the name of Jesus. On me back. And she said she just feel the Lord just lift off. And last night my niece tell me that.
Just jump on her back then.
Yes. But she never dip on her belly, she dey Raga.
But this is serious because we hear says on them back and when they dip on the back of work, but you try to not dopey like a doggy style and them something that too.
Right.
And when the boy sit that.
And she said, me auntie, me start to rule. And me say, I deal with it. Come off from me back.
Rebuke you, come off from my back.
And the dopey she just feel the Lord lift
off.
Back. So Raga them dead. Nobody can tell me say them no they Raga.
All right.
Them no they. And big up to you, Raga. Big up to the family.
No respect here.
Right, yes, Raga.
So what you name, baby? You want to tell me your name?
Oh, my name Angela, man.
Angela, now.
Big up from my co-worker, them will listen to you like
Send it down, Angela.
Marcia.
Kerry and Marcia and them people, and who else, no?
And a couple of them more, Maureen.
Yeah.
And whole heap of them.
Whole heap of them.
I'm so excited to get you to you. The one
cool, baby. Angela, so again. And which area ends out? Which area ends out? Big up your area.
TamFam in Spanish Town.
TamFam. Big up TamFam in Spanish Town. Now watch nothing here, Angela.
Yes,
straight respect every time, man. Protection.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll break. I'm going to sip some ginger tea and we'll come back up with other tea. Hallelujah. Glory. Reggie, that is serious, you know, because the dopey them, the last week is that the dopey them attack the woman when them dip on them backs and them at and them backs and them say, you know, you have to sleep on your back. But here we have it. Dopey jump on the woman when she sleep on her belly. Yo, big up all bus driver out there, big up all taxi man and taxi woman out there. Large up on the cell saying, what? Where you Pine route? Okay, we want to say big up to Junior Gray from Toronto, Canada, who lock in by the program right now. Bop. Big up to Israel over there in New Jersey. Lock on too. Now watch nothing. Yo, we want to tell everybody I find about the show and make them listen because be a thing to go on with Pandis, you know, straight entertainment. I don't know. At the real Jamaican talk show. Big up to Lincoln, the link down there right here. So in Jamaica. Now watch nothing. We're going to break so forward. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Welcome back to Ragashanti Live with your host, Miss Cherry Washbelly, Dr. Ragashanti.
Hallelujah. We're back. And do remember, some of you don't know, but the numbers are actually said when we're coming back in. So we just hear the number them in. Because some people just tune out, you know. Them just like, and them only start listening back when they hear my voice. Okay, the topic for the week. What is the biggest Ginalship you ever see run? What is the biggest Ginalship, the biggest con you ever see run? What are the wickedest con you ever see run? See? Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. At the real Jamaican talk show with me, Miss Cherry Washbelly Ragashanti. Tune in. Yeah, man. Yeah. Who is out there?
Hello.
Hello.
What this man? Morning, Raga.
What you say, baby?
Me there.
Cool,
You
no?
see, Angela was just called from Thompson with her issue. From
Yeah.
Thompson with
Yeah.
her issue.
Yeah.
True, because I went to...
What is true? What is true? Which part of it?
With the dopey were pose up in the picture.
You said that's true?
Yeah, because
Well,
I
true,
actually
isn't that
saw
something like
a
that can
copy.
happen? Right. Oh, you saw a copy of it?
Yeah, someone from John's Road take it to work and show me.
You serious?
Yeah.
I'm unsure. Unsure is not like some kind of anomaly in the wind or sun or light or something.
No, you definitely see the man pose up, but there wasn't no head. But him pose up in front of the children, them.
Oh, straight dopey.
Straight dopey.
Headless dopey. My God.
Yes, and then again, this lady, she never used to like take picture, no time at all. And when she did, the family trying to take picture, and even when they went to the dead house and dress her and thing, them try to take picture, and when the picture clean and come back, everything blank.
You serious?
Yeah, because
she's still not in on a picture thing.
No, all our casket are one of them bossy one. Which part when you open it, your view from head to toe.
Cool,
and
no?
all of that, you just see the casket, you know, see nothing at all. So, I kind of believe.
Why me tell you the dopey thing strong in Jamaica, do you know?
Yeah, I kind of believe.
A lot of Jamaicans believe in a dopey. So wait, have you ever know any wicked can we run, any Ginalship we run out there on the road there? I think.
Yes, you have one Rasta man downtown. The only reason why I say him not got the 14 parishes are true. I don't know the 14 parishes them.
Yeah.
But him always have money in and a beg makeup for buy something from wholesale to wholesale. And if you ever say, all right, give me what you have and make me buy out of my money, him raise you up the most way. It's terrible. Also my time when you're going to one wholesale and him beg and you're going to one next one and him buck up you and beg again and you are say, so you not just beg me up the same cuss you off.
In course, yeah.
Yeah.
I think a film look a thing that in a film defense mechanism that I think.
Yeah, because me go Lindsay and me see him and Lindsay and me go as far as Ochi and me see him.
And wait, him always there wholesale too.
Yeah, wholesale.
I be a wholesale more.
Yeah, wholesale. Yeah.
Hey, you see at this time of the year and now them are going to come out, you know. But it's a theme, Ginalship is him always have some money and need to make it up, don't it?
Yeah, sometimes him have all more than me, you know. Because sometimes I'm going to wholesale and I have to dig up my back and you know silver always in a handbag.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
him all have some $100, some $50 pose up and me no have that.
You see it?
Yeah.
And I pressure other people and they say, yo, then you did I beg up there so I'm starting nasty up, no?
Yes, once you mention it, Raga, a straight cussing, him ranks you properly.
All right, I see if we get some more because we don't know further about there, you know?
Yeah, man. So bless up.
Yeah,
it's
man.
KK.
Yeah, man, KK. Now watch nothing, baby. Blessings and respect. Straight family member every time. It goes so.
Yeah, man.
All right, then. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. What is the biggest Ginalship you ever see? What is the biggest con we ever run? Greetings, Jamaica. Me say me feel good in the morning. Yeah. Hallelujah. Anyway, yes.
Hello. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, Raga, call from Harborview. 1 second yet. Now, leaving them. I'll call you back.
All right.
You caller.
Yeah, man. Yeah, right. Like, yeah. Deal with that right away there for me, I think. Bring in a caller. Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Stewart.
Good morning, darling.
And how are you this morning,
Why,
baby?
me feel good in the morning, I know.
Ooh,
Me feel good, me feel warm, me feel...
your face lively up.
Cool, man. Me say me all sip some ginger tea and me say me proper.
Mr. Stewart,
Eh.
I have few little things I got to say to you, but me just I go run them off because people want to talk to you.
Cool,
You see the no-face business in the dopey?
Yeah.
If you know somebody where you know good,
Yeah.
and them well sick, and you go and look for them, you hear them say, Lord, me see you, you know, but me can't see your face. That name, that dead shadow.
That name dead shadow.
Dead shadow.
If the person say me see you, but me, that person then not go live.
Not go live.
So if me go look for somebody well sick and then say, Lord, me see you, but me can't see your face, me have to say I eat that.
Right.
Okay.
And
what name?
Death shadow.
Death shadow.
Right.
Okay.
And another thing again, when you hear them, or if you hear them walking and you see them, you don't see no feet. I don't know the reason for that.
When Duppy a walk, you can't see them foot them.
No, because it don't touch ground, but you don't see from the ankle go down.
From them ankle go down, you not see them foot.
You not see them
And this a regular thing with Duppy.
Right.
Okay.
Oh,
But hear that quick corner before the news come. No, man, I say 1 minute to the news. But hear that one, you know. A brother and his wife have beer problem, you know. When I say problem, when I call no name, I kind of fix it to cover the car. Him know. People know him. But anyway, he reach a point, he say, well, him just say, boy, it's like him life turn on in a Reggie. Everything I go right. Him say him wife, like, him don't know I want him to actually cook 7 days a week for him now. And him say the starting out gone on a different level and things. So I said, why, you know, them things happen, you know, every now and then, it don't necessarily mean say it's going to continue. Months and months go on in a Reggie. And the thing just step on a certain level. That's the man I don't even want to hang out with me. Man gone home. I gone home to my wife. You no care, listen, not live for Ray. Go home to him wife and Ray. Regular thing, you know. And I said this must go on for a year. One day the man come home in a Reggie. Boom, open him door. Nothing. Beer echo. What I say, not even a sweetie paper in our house. And thing, the man post that in a shock. Cut long story short. The woman married and they are foreign. Hear him now. But him ask and I said, but how she for married and she married to me? And thing, and again, cut long story short, but eventually the man see documents where him sign. Agreed to a divorce. But he must say, but me would have never divorced my wife. Me never say. At some point, she make him sign that, you know. Him don't even know when him sign that, you know. Hey, at that name can, you know. At that name Ginalship, you know. If your wife can divorce you and you don't know, and I work a thing with a man so long enough that him can file for her as the husband. And then she go foreign and live a foreign. And the only way you find out when you start when you walk home, and not even have furniture in there and thing like that. Let me tell you, a mad thing, man, crazy thing. Anyway, so we want to call in and tell you some of the wickedest con them want to know about. See, now watch not the straight entertainment. The people. How about that, man? How about that? Yeah, the people are run the news right now, so just stay tuned. I just headline news. I will come back and beat things up in the place. Hallelujah. Quick email. Hi, Raga. You are gone. I love your show. Keep on doing what you do. I don't have a radio for myself in the office right now, so I have to listen to you from my phone. Last Friday, I was in the bank and I laughed out, and they thought I was getting mad. As I said, you are the boss. You are the best there is right now. If I am sad, I can count on you and your program to make my day. Have a blessed and productive week. Terry, thank you so much, Terry. Hello.
Morning, Raga.
Morning.
First time on your show.
Welcome to the family, darling.
Yeah, Raga, the biggest scan is the visa scan.
The visa scan. Tell about it.
Yeah, man, the people in my work and I take the people their money.
Uh-huh.
And the other one are the abortion scam. You want some money from your man.
Uh-huh.
You just them say you're pregnant. And the money I come through Western Union.
Well, I know, but... Or if you're pregnant and the person that's somewhere where them have to send it through Western Union.
No, he must send the money to do the abortion.
But what I say is, the person who has sent it is the person who supposedly get the person pregnant?
No, man. Your man come.
Right.
And him gone back and think he have a belly. When no belly no day.
When no belly no day. Oh.
So yeah, get a little money there, so.
Oh, then tell me something. A regular conduct?
That's a big regular conduct.
Come on. Woman use that enough, no?
Enough woman use that.
Them use it with one man or sometimes them use more than one man do it. That's something I hear. So,
only for man they will use it, man.
You see it.
Yeah, and Raga, when them say you have some woman keep one man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's them man. Because my man, they are foreign and straight, me sit down and wait for him.
I wait for him?
Yeah.
Oh, you not do nothing?
No, me not do.
How long him there foreign now?
6 months now, me not see him.
6 months now, you not see him? Mm-hmm. And you never do nothing yet?
Never. Me a wallet, man.
You never squeeze that look one? You never squeeze that look one thing, you sure?
No, Me a wallet, man.
You did tempted? You did tempted?
No, time, me not see nobody who I like.
Okay, but if you see somebody who you like, you think you're a thief?
No, man, every time me feel that way, they come like me member, me a pitch that.
Oh, cool. No, I just want to say congratulations to you and big respect to you for that,
so
because we rate that.
Woman out there be sit down and wait for them, man.
I want to tell you have man who do that too, you know.
Yeah, man, you have man where we do that, and you have
them
woman
gone and them nah do nothing and
yeah,
thing.
man, you have decent woman still out there, we sit down and wait for them, man.
For real.
Just put the pillar between their foot when night come and just hold it.
Just squeeze it, no?
Just squeeze the pillar and know.
Squeeze the pillar, man.
The man, they are foreign and I work and I take care of you, so you have to just hold it.
Alright, but tell me something now. So what happen if the man stop send money from foreign? What happen if the man over there and stop send money?
No, man, my man look after me straight.
No,
man,
I say if the man stop send money,
you
da blame the woman for give her the thing.
No, man, sometimes the man kind of sound difficulty, you know.
Right.
Just hold it.
Right. All right then. Enough respect here.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Big up, Raga.
Every time. Yeah, man. Where I say, what is the biggest con you ever witnessed? What is the wickedest con you ever witnessed? Here we go. Good morning. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, Raga, morning.
Yeah.
Me have one fear I got tear up.
Say on. Hold on. Stop. Turn off your radio, yeah?
Me not know when they hear the radio.
We'll get a little feedback. But go on, yeah, talk. Mm-hmm.
All right, let me run go. Hold on.
Yeah, man. You're the near a radio, man.
Me never did near the radio, but me run go turn it off. Anyway,
yeah.
I have two friends. One live at Kingston and one live at Raytown.
Yeah.
One of them man have little change.
Yeah.
See, the uncle boy was like, good.
Wait, the one of them man have a little money.
Yeah, it's a big man, you know, and him have a little thing, you know?
Yeah, but then
and she know, like a younger boy where can do the thing right and fix her up proper and thing.
Yeah.
Well, let's spend the man there, you know, and she can't make a move. So you don't know what the two of them plan. The two friends, my two friends, you know?
Yeah.
So she go foreign.
So who are going foreign?
The woman one say one and say she go foreign, the big man one.
Oh.
So anyway, I'm getting the money for buy the tickets.
Yeah.
And him get the money, says for spend, and him go buy up little things gear. And send her with my other friend go to airport when the time of the date. Then you know what I do. I spend a couple of weeks with the other man, little man, you know. And go straight to the airport, you know. Straight to the airport, and when the man let them off, then take something else and with suitcase and box and go at the man yard. Me said, when the one orchestrated right about
the one the one who set it up, she a listen right now. So the man give her money. So wait, him give her money, probably I'll buy a little US and thing and and I'll buy little things and fish and Bambi and the world, right? And let her, and drive her go airport.
And can go airport and let her have the two of them.
And let go she and then.
Come back and go boogie go with them.
And go where?
Boogie where? Yeah, go somewhere where they want to go.
And go with her, and then she just go back with the little boy where bouncing proper.
Me say, Raga, I know, me say every time remember it, me for Papa. Every time I tell her about it, then send me mad.
No, that one the bad, for real.
I listen to you right now, because she don't take you up to radio for your program.
All right. Hey, baby, who set up the con? And you are listening to the show right now. Now watch nothing here, baby. You're awesome. All right, then. No, man, I want the rough man. All right, blessings here.
Yeah, love the program, yeah.
Yeah, man, take care.
Yeah.
I'm talking about that. Oh, I say, big respect to the woman who work at IrieJam, who your man drop you off a work at Montego Bay, and as soon as he's gone, somebody pick you up back. Hey, them people out at the airport, you know, but tell the Reggie, out there, the people, them say, yo, you see that woman there? Him say, what? That the brother come and drop her off? And him say, watch her now. You see she in that IrieJam uniform and thing. And the brother drop her off, you know. And him say, just watch. So I say, what? Him say, watch. So she walk, you know. So I say, what? Him say, watch. So I watch. So him there, that different car come and pick her up, you know. And thing, you know, IrieJam out, you know. She in that IrieJam uniform and thing. But she obviously now work that day there. So one man drop her off, you know, and the next man was saying for us come pick her up. So who for tell it? One man may think that him a carry her go work. The next man may think that she come from work. Raga, okay, email. I like your show a lot, and I was glad the morning I was going on a 2-mile ride with a church brother, and he introduced me to it. we're going to assume that this is a ride in a car. Trust me, you keep me in stitches at times, but I want to tell you about a scam I know of. You make it sound like it's only the woman them who scam, but hear this. This neighbor of mine lives with a girl for 2 years, has 2 children with her, but for a while has this girlfriend abroad. He's a construction worker, and whenever the foreigner is in the island, he tells the girl that he has to be out of town. He married the foreigner in Negril and still live with a poor girl who was wearing his engagement ring while waiting for the filing to come through. Oh, while he might wait for the file to come through. The girl finally find out the night before the flight, 2 years later, when she asked him why I'm taking those good clothes to a job site. Him get for go, but with a terrible black eye, and the girl after 5 years still await upon him for divorce the foreigner and take her up. A wicked can that, you know. Leave a house with your baby mother and your 2 pitney and married somebody a foreign and gone. Nigga go married and hey, that cool. Joke can. Get the people who have a visa and can travel and go foreign. Take them friend money for buy clothes of foreign. Use the money for them own purposes. Return home, go downtown, go buy some clothes, mix it up with some Irish Spring and Dove soap so that it smells foreign. One of the biggest cannon I get to that bad. Let me read that one there again. Hey, that email you pop way. Again, get to people who have a visa and can travel, go a foreign. Take them friend money for buy clothes of foreign. Use the money for them own purposes. Return home, go downtown, go buy some clothes. Mix up the clothes with some Irish Spring and Dove soap so that it smells foreignish. And that's one of the biggest kind I get to.
Yeah, Raga. Listen, one day, see, my cousin was supposed to leave the island and he wanted me to travel with him to just pick up some things in our town.
Yeah.
So go to market.
Yeah.
Well, me there on the stair and him gone to the shopping, him eventually meet this lady with a baby.
Yeah.
Asking him for her money because of the baby. So him say, boy, I'm not trust her. So him say, it's feeding. She asked why him say him carry go buy the feeding. Now after we come home and changing clothes, put on clothes to disappear now. They drop in my airport, so we in an island grill.
Mm-hmm.
And we still run into the same lady in there.
In an island grill?
Yes.
No, but not the island grill where they are airport.
Yeah, man, you have an island grill in the airport, man. Montego Bay Airport.
Montego Bay Airport, but it's inside of the airport or outside?
Yes, and she was inside there.
She was inside there?
Yeah, after we meet her at the food market in the morning.
Yeah.
About 2 o'clock, we meet her in the island grill place, beg money.
So she had go foreign?
Why, I mean, no, she didn't go foreign, but she was there with the baby again asking for money.
But how she get in the island grill not inside of the airport? No,
yeah, man.
I mean like inside where the after the air. Hold on, I think
sure, it's inside of the part where you can just walk in.
Oh, okay. No, sorry. I think Kingston.
No.
I think Kingston. Yeah. So the one where you can just walk in.
Yeah, right. From outside.
I want to see her over there. So but you don't know a regular can that run. You don't
yeah,
know, say you people.
To my cousin, no dress up. She don't say him see him.
See man. Sure. All right, you see the baby can. It's so regular that all people rent baby if you go hustle for the day. You never know that?
No, I didn't know.
That I go on and get to.
So
woman will rent them baby for like $2,000 for the day, and somebody go out there and walk with the baby and beg, and then we make all like $5,000 or $6,000 and so.
Yeah. Anyway, me know my cousin got point to to me say she see a woman come to beg money and over man. Talk to her no. So me take her on and tell her says that she ain't fair beg and I use the baby. The woman rinse me out to say boss. Give me a piece of custom till the security guard have come over and order her out.
You see it?
I tell you. Anyway, that's one. The next one is this cousin of mine. She's a liar.
Yeah.
So she gets sick and her assistant now they run the show. So she started collect money like she's a liar. And take off people money for land and all, for take care of papers and so forth. Eventually, it come up big in a Montego Bay. Montego Bay biggest kind of artist.
Oh.
I want the old lady let her go still, you know.
What do you mean let her go?
The old lady wants somebody to go to court, go defend her.
Yeah.
And pay her money for the liar to come to court.
Oh.
And she keep going and nobody no show up, so she go report the liar. When they work out, no liar no there's the assistant. They run the show like she a liar and they take off money off of people.
Oh.
And the whole heap of money she take off of people, you know.
You see it.
Yeah, man, big time too.
You see it.
But she not court and she not get no time yet. They have her lock up.
I was saying.
Yeah.
I will heap kind of road now. I remember hear what some other
all
people
right, cool,
say.
Take care, eh?
Yeah, man, no, man,
enjoy
respect.
the program very much.
All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I get the person who sent with the can about the it's a so you just mash up a whole heap of people business with the Irish Spring smell. I can't imagine the amount of people give them friend money recently for buy clothes at foreign. Or them gonna smell the clothes. Even a hint of Irish Spring they on it now, them in a trouble. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
I have a con. There is this girl that I know.
Yeah.
She was hustling some money, as what she says. So
yeah. Could you speak a little louder, please? Yeah.
Yes, so she went by the morgue.
The morgue,
Yeah, downtown Madden.
Yeah.
And follow the other girls them down there saying start to cry whenever them see somebody dead come in and cry and bawl and say, Lord God, I'm a family, and search the man them and hustle money. You ever hear about that one?
What, me never hear about that one though.
Yeah, man, them you have girls that hustle down by the morgue, man.
Them just bawl when them see body are coming.
Yeah, and
but hold on, but that's kind of difficult because I see the man them who pick up the body them from funeral. That's the first thing them do, you know.
Well, and everybody them get for search.
Oh, okay.
I have another one, this German man from walking around with his card saying that him get robbed on him way down to Wharf.
One German man with him card.
German, him white.
Yeah.
And him walking to offices with cards and slips saying that him wife trying to send him money from Western Union. And showing us receipts. And then when them check it out, when you check it out, him is a con because I see him go from office to office.
Oh, I know people like if you believe him if him white and he's German. People are going to say, but why would this white German man come here and tell lies? And so that can run.
Yeah,
interesting. All right. All right, then bless up here.
Yeah.
Yo, you have a look at old white man, it's Reggie. Him old and white, but look Jamaican white, but him face shape funny like a deformed peanut. And whatever that looks like. And think, but him have a thing, him going at people restaurant and eat food and whatever and this and that. Just other things and walk out, you know. Me see him do it at the Super Plus. Up out at Kingston Spring, the one where they beside the gas station across on the plaza, right beside Courts. I see him do it. I see him do it in one restaurant down at Halfway Tree. I see him do it in 2 different business places. I see him do it at a coffee mill in New Kingston. Just go in, you know. Eh? No, because him just go in and him just order whatever. And then after him just walk out. But then if you run up to him now and you say to him, say, wait, you never pay. Him just turn around and say, no, the lady said I could have take it. I ask her feet and him just say, regular thing him do. It's a slim white man and him face strange. Anyway, event there and them thing that him there. Him no look too, you know, whatever. What if I look at kind of runner? Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Ragashanti here. What going?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you something what happened since Saturday night.
Yeah.
I have this friend, you know, very good friend of mine. But what she do, I don't like. But she's a very good friend of mine. So she have 2 somebody.
Yeah.
Right?
She have 2 somebody.
Right.
All right.
So after I finish what's a party at my house Saturday night now, my phone ringing later was. I was saying, who call me so late? When I look, it's our outside people number. But the outside one now, don't know if she have inside if she have outside. Anyway, him call almost a cry. I cry, I say, I'm not hear from her. What happened?
The man a cry to you, I say him not hear from her.
Right. What could have really happened? But him is the outside one, but him think about the inside one.
Okay, the outside one think him at the inside one. Him think him at the straight up one man. All right.
Anyway, so he might call her phone Sheena and because she's already with the other one. So when I call now her phone and go here, I can't understand. I can't understand. I should keep on a call my phone. Here man Tony call my phone. I pick up the rake right away.
Hold on. Will you say that again?
She called me, you know, me call her phone, right? When she finally and she started stress me, you know, because she was with the other person. So me and my man Tony, I can't call her number. And I late on that she gone to her bed and all and for call her number. That's stressing, you know.
Yeah, she just start cuss you out. That bad. No, but so wait, I understand it now. She have two man. And each one of them think of them alone.
Thank you.
So one of the man call you now, a ball. I wonder where she there.
Right.
And thing and just depress and down. So you call her now for ask her what go on. But as soon as you call, she just start cuss you. And I cuss you and I say, well, yeah, your man a call for whatever. So it look like say the other man did a call for your phone over there with that one there, you know.
Right.
And the one that must see it and say, which I would have call your phone so regular so late at night time. And she must just say, you and your man. That time I fear other man.
So when my number come now, me get interesting, but this Sydney man number come all along. But when my number come up now, she answered the call because I was trying to reach her on the phone.
Okay.
So I just get interested next time me that call.
Right, she just say, yeah, me no stop call me because your man have no problem. Chow nobody me see me there when my man. She just start give it to you, don't it? Yo, she bad. Can right away you have to pick up what go on, you know. Because you know say you no war. You know say you not there with the boy who call you. I fear.
But no, in order to cause a problem, I was to turn off my phone and go to my bed, you know.
For real?
Because when I call my mom, I turn off my phone. I mean, I want to turn life on about so I turn off my phone, Bridget.
I tell you.
Anyway, take care, Raga.
Yeah, man, bless up.
Right.
Hey, man, I tell you that I not really people know, man. I just know about them kind of, you know, and thing. But you remember the brother talk about with person and foreign or whatever. No, I can't a woman have a man of foreign, you know, upfront man, you know, but she there with a man out there, you know. And you say anytime that one day come from foreign or whatever, fear mother country take sick severely, you know. And thing, you know. And you see when Ima come, she always I tell him, say, I don't want you to come at town, you know, because he said, like I'm gonna see this long time, I want to spend some quality time with it. So I could go country where the family you know, have to get distracted with the family and all them something. So she always arrange them stay in a hotel or this. But them will come into town, you know. But them not stay at town. Because she needs to spend quality time with him. When really I separate him from the town, man. Bad like trouble, man. Remember me tell you a quick email. Good morning to you, Raga, and the rest of the crew. I too love that song. The Why? She said, I'm reading the email because my ex-boyfriend called me one day playing that song, asking me to come back to him. Okay, and then she'll go in or something. There used to be a guy by the Portmore bus stop in a wheelchair with a sign saying he's crippled and begging money to pay for his operation. Anyway, one Friday there was a robbery taking place and shots started to fire. And I see the crippled man get out of the wheelchair and run. I couldn't believe it, and worse, but just give him $20. Some people in my office a fight, you sure them don't. Some people in my office a fight, you sure them don't see people happen. Well, I think she say it happen or something like that. Sure. Yo, but big up the brother out a crossroad in the wheelchair and thing. When the car did lick him down, him run out tight. Run out time wheelchair. You know him, Reggie. And then bright, and then the star go catch him. The star catch him and run and take the picture. You know, remember? And put that picture. And think everybody come him all. Anytime you come out a car, take time, did it? You know what I talk? Anytime you come out I know say him bright enough, go down at the Gleaner company, so him come there for sue the star. So when I ask you, so what you going to sue the star for now? Me used to make more than $1,000. Me used to make $1,500. And since on the story, my money gone down to under $500, $400. So he's suing the star, the Gleaner, for loss of income. God, I love this country. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Mr. Washbelly, Ragashanti, blessings and respect. Quick email, hi Raga, I am an avid listener to the disadvantage of my company because I don't get much work done between 9 and 12 on weekdays. I am relating some scams I know of. One morning, a man with a baby, about 2 months old, came to my office and knocked. He told me that his girlfriend was sick and hospitalized and he was left to care for the baby. He did not have any money, so he mixed condensed milk and gave the baby, who developed diarrhea. Of course, I gave him $500, plus other co-workers giving him gave him enough money to buy baby formula and to take the baby to Children's Hospital. Lo and behold, I went to another office 2 days later and saw the same man with the same story. Fortunately for those employees, somebody there knew him and knew that it was his habit to borrow a young baby from anyone in his community and walk and beg, as people would be sympathetic to the father of a sick baby. Next one. My sister went to... She puts the name of a furniture store, I'll just say a furniture store, on King Street to purchase an item of furniture. On entering, she was greeted by a man who she assumed was a sales clerk. He walked with her in the store, selected the item she wanted, and then gave her a seat and collected money from her. She waited indefinitely, and when she could not see him coming back to her, she went to another sales clerk at a desk and inquired. No one there knew anybody with that description of the man. He was not an employee there. No one saw him walk in the store and no one saw him walk in the store or might have seen him and thought he was a customer. She lost her money. Third one, there's a man on Trafalgar Road who walks around begging money to buy a little gas as his car has run out of gas. I got caught once as he seemed so genuine and being so elderly. This I learned later is another scam. Also, it's another habit. Here we go, top of the morning to you. What is the biggest Ginalship on the Siron? I want to ever see run. What is the biggest can on the see a run out there? Send them on, Panway in ya. Send them on. Make we talk up the things, them. Hallelujah. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Raga.
Uh-huh.
Me tell you about one big can, right?
Yeah.
Chucky. Remember Chucky always a call you, sure, right? You remember one day in calling and I tell about this girl was sending credit to him and she has to send back some of my credit and he must say him no know how to send it back.
Yeah, yeah.
I see the biggest thing in company radio and I tell everybody about it and I laugh and may I listen to it. You see how it can go? But me have to tell
no, but that's not really can. But that's not really can.
Of course I can. How
because you
accidentally
you accidentally go send it over there. So I not really like initiate a can for you.
How you mean? Then if me call and say, well, it was a mistake and I'm seeing offering and say, send back some.
Yeah, but all you know is him. All you know is him.
How? Then me not pick up the voice and hear no matter it was the exact scenario.
No, but that happened to quite a few people out there, you know. People accidentally sell credit to them, and when people are calling and think, people say, yo, I don't even know about that, you know, because I don't even to use my phone and ray. And this and what I say, I'm to a whole heap of people, so I don't must seem careful. But I don't must seem.
But me understand what you're saying, and it's true.
All right.
I admit to that.
All right.
But what I'm saying, I know it was because when he spoke, it was just the exact thing. He spoke the truth, and it was just the truth.
All right.
So I knew it was me, the exact words and everything.
All right.
But still, I have no hard feelings over it. But I know is that if you need to say it back, you'd get more than one get.
Wow.
But that's why it's set up still.
Like will it more?
Right?
Will it more?
Pardon me?
Will it more?
No, you don't get because we see when you're honest, you'll get a reward for it.
Okay, me see what you ask. All right.
Have a good day.
Yeah, man.
And I love your show. I'm a new caller.
All right, welcome to the fam. What's your name, darling?
I'm April.
April? Which year are you hail from? Which year are you end?
Me pen, man.
Me pen, April from me pen. Enough respect here. I like your voice. It have a nice little playfulness to it, you know?
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, you're most welcome, darling. All right, blessings,
All right,
yeah? Yeah, man. Quick email, big up Raga, hear this. Woman a ram for scam. Them a scam artist. Me go a dance one night. The vibes right. And thing. Me see a nice girl and make a move to her. We beat some liquor, dance and thing. When the night done, me drop her off in a Barbican through me a drive. Me give her my phone for put her number. When she done, she go in at the house. Me call the number. I'm here halfway 3 CIB. Oh, me? Me nah get no woman no more phone for put no number in there, you know. Before you know it, them star 128 your credit and it gone. Okay? Talking about con, that's a regular one out there. Boy, here, woman say, no, let me give you a number. I'll take your phone. Before you know it, your credit gone. I'm bad with them then, Reggie. You never know that, Reggie. You never know that go on, man. Them smile up and say, put your number in your phone. And them take your phone and you're dead. I say, wow, number 7, you don't know. That time them goes, and them move, ever see them move, them finger move fast. Yeah, man, star 120, boom, and them see how much they star 120, because them know them can't take more than 1,000, you know. And me tend for walk around with a whole heap of credit on my phone more time and thing and whatever and thing. And boom, them blaze off your credit, you know, I'll go sell it back to other people, you know. And them call people and think I have credit and boom, and them just sell it. Here we go, top of the morning to you, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, man.
Brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, the fuck me I call the show, you know.
Cooler, man.
Yeah, me I listen. I took me drive a trailer, you know.
You see it?
Yeah, man, I'm the guy in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
So, you have to some things I want to tell about some things I know.
Send on.
Yeah. You know, say if a man and a woman are married, you see?
Yeah.
And the man that will ice the cake, I want to ice the cake. The ice is not the man with the cake. The man about that. You good married, you know. Like, now go through, you know.
The marriage not go work.
As long as the ice is over the cake.
As long as the ice drop off of the cake, that
yeah,
done.
The man will make the cake.
The man will make the cake.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the ice the cake and that drop off.
So if me I get married, me for ask the person who make the cake if any of the ice and it drop off.
Yeah, right. When I ice the cake and that drop off.
Yeah.
You can't bother married.
You can't bother married.
Yeah, man.
Okay, because now I go work.
Now go work.
You believe that?
I true thing that, man.
Oh, all right, Papa. Wiles.
You have one now.
Yeah.
You see the thing about woman that Ginal man and something, Raga.
Yeah, them man not Ginal woman too.
Hold on.
Yeah.
You see nutmeg.
Yeah.
A man must drink nutmeg for a woman.
A man must drink nutmeg from a woman.
Put nutmeg, not nothing gin.
Why?
Because you see if she gets some nutmeg and swallow it,
yeah.
And pass it out and look back, see it, and dry it, and grate it, and put on your food and gear. You're doomed for life in the Raga.
Hold on, you just talk a whole heap of thing, you know. Anyhow, she wait near.
She get some nutmeg. Right? And swallow it.
Yeah.
Right? And she pass out, she look back, see it. See? And wash it up and dry it and put it down. You know, see it?
Hold on.
Right?
So you tell me, say you have woman out there who has swallow nutmeg.
Yeah.
Pass it out.
Yeah.
Take it back up.
Yeah.
Wash it off. Dry it. And then grate it and look at carrot juice or something. You have woman out there do you say you have woman out there do them something there?
What do you mean?
I went the backside. You tell me something. Are you serious?
Raga. Something like that nearly happened to me, Raga. See?
So how it nearly happened to you now? How it nearly happened to you?
So, listen, what I'm telling you now, my name is Ernie, very often, you know.
Yeah,
I hear love one now. You have to tell me, you know. You see it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to go and check it. You hear me now. You see, when you come from work, stop at the drugstore and buy some quicksilver.
Some what?
Quicksilver. Yeah.
Mercury.
I'm going to buy the quicksilver over there.
Yeah.
So wash my foot clean and grate my foot in a cream dish.
What you mean grate your foot? What you mean?
My foot heel.
Oh, so she gave you a pedicure. She was giving you a pedicure.
Well, it's called that then, but anyway, the rubber foot in a cream dish. And so mix up the quicksilver with the regular wine and pour it and give it a drink. My belly stop at me, I tell the man. Yeah, man.
Oh.
And I tell me something enough to drink, nutmeg for a woman. You see? So I say, oh, you know them things. She said, boy, my grandfather is a 4-year man, you know. And we know all of them things there. She
said, grandfather is a 4-year man.
Yeah, that's
and when we say 4-year, you can't see things, though. I know things, yeah.
Hey, you know?
Yeah. Hello?
There was a girl with people all around. She from the scene, so Tambourine. So Mother's Corner, that's one brown girl come out all the while, come to people all the while, I'm big money, you know. I'm brown Road.
From South Camp Road to where?
Eh?
From South Camp Road to where?
From South Camp Road coming back to Madhouse. So she lives somewhere.
To Bellevue.
Yeah.
I say I'm brown girl and say ever general people that take with them money they said, huh?
Yeah, she told to them and general people say she want this and I pick this and kind of thing. She catch me already.
She catch you already?
Yeah.
All right, Papa. Safety.
One time.
Hush, yeah. Safety on the road, here.
Yeah, all right.
And you take care, man. Protection every time.
Yeah, man. The fuck me, I'll call back again another time. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Yell me anytime, man. Because you don't know say a phone show this and a phone show this.
Yeah,
all right. Okay, quick email. Heal Raga. Do you know of tax collectors walking into people's business place and asking for tax? Well, it happened to me in Old Harbor at Cottage Complex. This brown man walked into my store and briefly introduced himself to me, then proceeded to ask me for tax. He says he's the tax collector. I never did a better thing than give him a good cussing. I tell him some bad word. Anyway, big up yourself, Raga. A Ramo and Jeremy and this from Spring Village in a St. Catherine. I like your program email. Keep up the good work. You have some man where I go around and I beg empty perfume bottles. Me hear say sometimes I water them color and tell you say a brand cologne them a sell. Ain't that cruel? Well, yeah, man, that I go and treat them out the road. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah.
I'm woman alone can you know.
Eh?
I'm woman alone can.
That's not true.
Yeah, man can run joke with canning, man. I look for that canning now.
Yeah.
Woman go to the hospital, go take a people baby.
Uh-huh.
Because them have foreign man. And when them come home, them find the baby a yard.
Uh-huh.
Do you know them can they?
Well, we have instances when man of mine picnic was supposed to their yard and when them a come now picnic not there.
And
so,
they got teeth it.
And so some adjustment, never know about them kind of adjustment. They really.
All right, listen to this adjustment now.
Uh-huh.
Hospital, Jubilee.
Yeah.
Woman go down there.
Yeah.
Pregnant, lose the baby.
Uh-huh.
Take a next man and woman baby.
Uh-huh.
Carry him to her husband.
Uh-huh.
Biggest scan.
Yeah. That go down. We know that go down for true.
All right.
Uh-huh.
You not like make a man try that kind of candy?
Well, we never really heard of men teething
baby.
Baby.
You was a pregnant man?
Yeah, a pregnant man. No.
All right.
Well, some man out there look very pregnant.
All right, man, what you say?
Yeah.
All right, watch me now. Yeah.
Hey, I read a call the show one time. I said, our brother Belly just did stay away. That's a man call him. I said, yo, and when you going to take in?
Yeah, bang belly.
Because you know, when you going to have picnic, them say you take in. You know?
Yeah. Like the lady will have the guinea pig in her belly.
All right, then. Okay. All right.
All right, the dopey thing now.
Yeah.
One little thing, and this is not a joke. Okay. It's something personal. Never did.
Yeah.
Lady don't believe in a spirit.
Yeah.
Hardened Christian.
Uh-huh.
Lay down on the bed. Dream the dead. But the dead do more than that.
Mm-hmm.
The dead take her out and she sleepwalk. And she go and open the door in the dark in the house and let him chew for him door.
Uh-huh.
You understand that?
Uh-huh.
Let me explain it in full. She there in her bed.
Mm-hmm.
Sleeping.
Yeah.
Get up in the dark.
Yeah.
Walk to the grill. Walk back from the grill. Walk to his room to open the door and let him in and wake up then. And this is a fact.
And at that time she wake up?
Yeah.
After she done open the door for him?
Yeah. And then come back and lay down beside me and never know me I watch and I want to wish I walk ago.
Okay. I said that happened when you did it. I watch everything?
Yeah.
So she let in a dopey for you?
Don't pan me. And my neighbor should let him in.
Okay. Me know, but how you... Why you salty? Them thing that them woman they always are bringing dopey on you.
So them always are bringing dopey on me?
Yeah, remember so this other woman you tell you about she did come. I never you.
You know what I tell?
No, a noble man that.
Yeah, but most of them mix me up in noble man. More know it.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
you're right,
but you're all right though.
Yeah, man, I'm cool though, man. I'm cool.
And you see the brother will call you and say, tell you about the joke?
Which joke?
When him say him there give you a joke, but you never understand the joke?
Yeah.
Because if that lady I give to you, you fix it up, you know, because you are the best thing. Up for the madhouse. I'll sign them up there, you know.
You see?
Yeah, right, though.
Yeah, man, I'm cool, man. I give thanks.
Thing this week so you get better.
Yeah. I must have saw, you know.
All right,
all right, man, protection. Email, Raga, you have some girl, email married, when they meet a man for the first time and attack, and them within themselves know them no want the man, them give them all kind of wrong number. Like in a one instance, a man get a girl named Lisa, and she give him a number, and when the man call and ask for the person who answer the phone say, the body they not come in here yet. It was a dead house number, bless him, Raga. No, but a regular thing when woman have some them have them goat number, you know? Woman have them goat number and them regular now. You know that, Reggie? And thing, you know. And you how them set it up now. It's like them have a goat name too, you know. So if you have a friend, you say, anytime she walk or anybody say, Ashley! She says she know the circumstances under which that man get that name. Because it must be a man who she go use her she meet somewhere. But you can call her by her real name or call her by... So she have certain name, depending on what she want from her, she have 3 different names she work with. Her real name and 2 other names. And one of them asked to come here, and man say, Ashley, what happened? And I say, eh? And she just elbow me, you know. And she say, what happened? And then she explain, you know. So woman have them different names for different situations and thing. But we want to hear about some bigger can. We want to hear about some, we know some big can and Ginalship. So as the week progress, we want to call in and tell about some big things that go on out there. Email, hi Raga, what a go on? This happened to my friend one day. She met this guy. They talked over the phone a couple of times. One day she said that she was going to con him and get a phone from him. She told him her phone was not working. So he told her to meet him downtown to purchase a new one. She went there, called him to tell him she was there waiting. Upon calling, she couldn't get through to him. She wait, and he never showed up. Serve all right. I think. Hey, well, we know. But I talk about a situation, somebody I can somebody, and she put the can in motion and end up getting in trouble. Because the person knows that she can him, never tell her, and without getting in details, she end up in a position where, you know, you understand what I say? Where certain things reach her. Well, I not agree with it, you know. I not agree with what reach her, you know. But it wouldn't reach her if she never did set out for con the man. You understand what I say? You understand? So something to think about.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Hello, Raga.
Hello.
This is Fan the Fire.
Hey, Fan the Fire, what's up?
Everything cook and curry.
Huh? Everything curried on properly.
Yes, I want to tell you about one can.
Yeah.
The biggest can I ever see, I was walking on Art Street in Montego Bay. And I see a man run out from a gate and say, hey, girl, give me chain. Where money me give to go buy food? So me say, who you talk, boy? And me ball out and some youth rush him with a knife. You know? And they ask me, you know the man? Me say, no, I never seen before.
You see it?
Yes, and next morning, now a man come to the house and talking to me and Mr. Fan the Fire.
Yeah.
Telling me that he work on a good truck. And he can get rice, flour, cooking oil, salt, fish, and cigarette. But he want a money to pay the man and he will carry the things them come for me. But Mr. Fan the Fire never want anything.
Yeah.
But he just give him the money and he leave. Rather, we never seen so till about 6 months time we see him. And that sea line at Cornwall Regional, me have to give him $2.
You give him $2?
Yes, with the sea line, yeah, nurse.
Well,
but I make his sea line back a broke.
Well, so you book him on the sea line in a Cornwall Regional Hospital?
Yes, asthma take him.
Asthma take him, so you just give him $2 in there?
Give him $2. Nurse say, box him, but I make his sea line
no, make the sea line back a broke, but just box him in jack, because I can't man, I can't even tell you money.
Man. Box him, man.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Good day.
Good day.
Yeah, it's not a can. I just want to tell something that happened to me when I was going to high school.
I
met this guy and he wanted to talk to me, but he wanted to use big word. And he said, my girl, you know, long talk. And I ignore you and want to say something to you, but I'm afraid you go advise me. I'm afraid of insult, man. I'm afraid of insult. I nearly dead.
What him say?
My girl, a long time I see you and I ignore you. I'm want to say something to you, but I'm afraid you go admire me. I'm afraid of shame. I love to like
a long time see you and I ignore you.
Yeah.
But I'm afraid. Oh, but
me
you
go
see,
admire him.
you're afraid you got admire him.
Kind of afraid of him. So want a long time I admire you.
But I'm afraid you gonna ignore me.
So, right.
But him confused. Him switch up the admire and the confused.
Yeah.
Okay. And I saw you go sometime when you're nervous, you know.
This is my first time calling.
Oh, for real? So where you calling from, darling?
Simon in Clarendon.
Simon.
Yeah.
One place named Simon.
Yeah.
In a Clarendon. One place named
next
Simon.
to Diamond and Rock River.
Oh, yes, Simon. We're next to Diamond. Okay. Yeah. Diamond, Simon. Rock River.
Yeah.
All right, then bless up here.
My name is Andrea.
Andrea from Simon.
Yeah.
All right, then bless up here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Reggie, I know a situation where a woman live a yard with a man and have a man on the side. And it just so happened that the two men them in the same profession. You know, said that woman, the man on the side, him know about the man who live a yard, but the man who live a yard don't know about the man on the side. You know, so she have the man there at the house all the while. The man on the side, the two of them are friends. One night time, the two of them are cook dinner. One a cook the rice, and one a cook the meat, and then they attack good. Now wickedness that.
That's pretty bad still.
A wicked, you can't, alright, fine. If me and you dead, I have to give me bun. Give me the bun. But do I make me a cook for the man who you give me the bun with? Now wickedness that. Me a cook for the man who you give me bun with. Now, some people may not understand what I'm about to say, you know, but the bun bad enough. But what is even worse is you a cook for the man who you get the bun with. That's worse than the actual bun. You understand? No, man, a wickedness that is a crazy kind that. And thing. You can't imagine all him dead all, and the man done cook all the meat, him say. When the man done cook all the meat and him a eat, him say, boy, so why you cook for meat and give me and still I get him other meat. Okay, quick email. Hi, Raga, I'm a regular listener to your program. My ex-boss calls me sexy legs. So you can do the same. If you're a woman and your boss call you sexy legs, there's probably some more she didn't tell us. Is the ex-boss now your husband? Anyway, a friend of mine had a positive pregnancy test that she used to rent. No, I want a bud. So it's like the person gets a positive pregnancy test. I just go to our friend and yo, me have a positive pregnancy test and I don't want to rent it. Yeah, man. $5,000 pop, but you can only use it for 2 days and bring it back because you don't know it go, you know? And then I saw them walk around and, you know, she rent it to her friend Sharon, and Sharon called for her man, Lady, look here. I'm pregnant, you know? So she rented, okay. So another friend, I'm continuing reading the email, another friend who dates a police, who is a detective, she rented a pregnancy test, and Raga, the police start spending a whole heap of money for my friend, and she says if she says she feel like milk or chocolate, in run go buy it. Then when I'm police friend them, all I recommend Dr. Fisher go. After a few days, she told the detective that she wasn't pregnant, and that pregnancy tests are not 100% sure. And Raga, them claims the police act on intelligence. She put ha. Sexy legs from St. Mary near Gale. Here we go. Quick email. Raga, love you so. The biggest con happened in Portmore, St. Catherine. A man had a lot of people, including a few of my friends, thinking that they will be getting new Honda Civics for a low cost. He took them to ATL and showed them the cars and papers. One of my friends was at the bus stop and saw a Honda Civic passing and said to his friend, "You like that car there? I want like that, may I get?" I'll know Raga, no Honda. Man, I'll vex with each other cause the man tell them him a go get them a newer model what him friend did forget. I'll visa and promise people say him a go get. Past All pastor and church members were conned out of thousands of dollars. Isn't it funny that you have church people who no ram for buy visa? But praise the Lord, Jesus will deliver me in New York. See the money they pass the visa. Anyway, top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Good morning.
Turn off your radio, please.
It's turned off.
You okay? What's up?
Okay. I have this story to tell you about one of my friends.
Yeah.
She bought a TV in St. Mary
Uh-huh.
and thought it was a real TV.
Uh-huh.
And when she got home,
Yeah.
it was full of all kind of different garbage. She bought two because she said it was reasonable.
Oh. What she said? When she see the deal, she want two.
She was two.
Cause she said.
And when she called me and was saying, you know, my two TV there, man, I put one in my living room and one in my daughter's room.
Okay.
Oh, when she take a stick and pull it, it wrapped. She said it wrapped just like a real TV. You see like everything.
Oh, so it did in a box?
Yes.
So what?
See everything.
So it's I never on TV in it?
No.
So, I think that she get the TV and the TV was like a shell. But yeah, she don't even get the TV, just the box she get.
Yes, with all kind of different something in there.
But the box look real and everything,
yes,
seal up proper.
Like TV and everything.
And she get a good deal for it though.
Yes.
She really get a good deal and fix her business, eh?
So that $3,000 to pay for one.
$3,000 for what each right TV now?
Yes.
Our size TV.
Huh?
Our size TV.
She said one big one.
Well,
a big one level.
Well, she didn't want to watch TV. Next time she go and watch herself. And be careful. And watch her money more carefully. All right, the blessings here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Quick email. Why them email long? People, please, me I beg gonna short the email them, please, okay? Big and serious. Short the email them, all right? Raga, the big fat man you're talking about is a true con man. And I believe the cops should take... Oh, you remember the fat man I tell about with the bike? Wherever I run out of gas and thing. For years now, I run out of gas I need to go country and can't reach it. Poor thing. Anyway, we'll make it one day. He doesn't have enough money yet. He needs millions. Michael Leach need to give some money. Butch Stewart or Carlos Hill or one of them people. Raga, the big fat man you're talking about is a true con man. And I believe the cops should take him off the road as he is becoming a nuisance. He's always at the intersection of Red Hills Road and Rampton Avenue, near the Transfiguration Church. You have church named Transfiguration Church? For real? That's not what it's called? What it's called? But why she call it Transfiguration? That's in the name? Transfiguration is in the name of a church? So then people don't get it. You must make it easy to say. So it just roll off your tongue. You know? You can't poor Jamaican people them know. I said, which church you go? The Christ for God Transfiguration. Anyway, near the Transfiguration Church, and his story is always about gas, and sometimes he has a child with him. You can imagine how much time his tank full and overflow. I drove past him over the weekend. I pointed him out to a lady, and she said he is from Jungle, and she was very shocked to see him uptown. Okay, here we go. I sent my friend in. I'm continuing reading this long email. I sent my friend while in the Bahamas to accompany a man to sort out a work permit at the immigration headquarters as I had to go to work, and I told her, don't give him the money until you talk to the director and get the documents signed and stamped, as this man might be a con artist. And she said, okay. This man said the director was his friend, so he could sort out the permit quickly, as we had the required documents. It's only to expedite the process. He took my friend to the immigration office at Hackensaw and told her to stay in the car, as he's going to see the man in charge. And he returned to her and said, hurry, give me the documents and the application fee, $600. The director is hurrying off to a meeting, and she gave him everything. And he came back and gave her the assurance that by tomorrow, all the documents will start the process and he will collect the receipt and take it to her apartment. Raga, I'll know we don't hear from the man. I'm don't answer him phone. The immigration come for us, and out of the country we had to go as we had no work permit. It paid to do things yourself and the right way. He who feels it knows it. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Why this one for real, you know? Me talk with so.
For real. All right, send it on the king.
You want to see, one couple of years ago, I studied in Santa Clara.
Where?
Santa Clara.
In California?
No, Cuba.
Cuba. Santa Clara, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. A weekend time, we get a little break to go on the road, you know?
Yeah.
Look, ladies.
Yeah.
One weekend, man, without another part, man, I'm never stop scout to see me find one nice little thing, you know, but we could have started the fun so good up here. Sign signal will give to it, but she write address, give me.
Mm-hmm.
And tell me which bus must take to come our place.
Mm-hmm.
So when I jump on the bus the afternoon and give the driver the bus, the driver look for me and say, but he can't speak English. As if he's a family member, I'm going to look for him. I say, yeah, man, because I tell you, Rag, I'm a very trash and boast, you know.
See.
All cologne, all perfume, get it all in my mouth. You know, I feel so good. You understand? You see, the driver drive, miles well with me, and say, right, and turn to me now and say, right, all right, that's what I'm going to come. I notice, no house, no there. It's a big cemetery, I look. I'm like a bus stop. Look like a yes, so she's going to meet me. At 6 o'clock in the evening, I'm in the left from there. The next brother come on and say, no, man, I can't get can, you know. But we couldn't go back and tell my friend them at school.
No, man.
I tell them, I never do the night when we all attack, we all go out and everybody come in and say, well, boy, they meet tonight. And say, yes, mama, meet my wife, you know.
You
they
see?
lovely evening that night. I say me to the woman, give me a
yo, I ain't going to tell them, you know. They would have think that I say, look how far you left from your good Jamaica, come way a Cuba. Come make dopey trick you. Eh?
They're telling all I even there, you know. Them a pack of Wrigley's, you know.
Yeah.
All about 10 them I eat at 2 one time, you know.
You see it?
Because I'm well sure you know, you know.
Yeah.
Because
I'm out of a fresh, man.
Oh, God. Just tell you, man.
You see?
I'm trying to improve for my sign language, too, you know.
Yeah.
I say, boy, I think have to work now. There.
Yes, you just work out the sign for say, I need some sorting out. All right, my lad. Bless up here.
Yeah.
Cool King. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, Raga?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, tell us I have one can for Gio.
Yeah.
I have one cousin, right?
Yeah.
Him used to go high school. Him father gave him money. Go downtown for go buy shoes to wear go school, but you know what them wear, the schoolboy them wear, the black Reebok.
Yeah.
So him go downtown now with him money. See the man them on the road, you know, when I go town, some man a rush and I say, man, you want this to buy, want that to buy. So the man give him one for the sneakers, right? And I say, look on it if you can't fit you, try on this. And him try it and give the man the money now. The man say, man, go round the road for the next foot of shoes. Rather than sit down at home about 3 hours wait for the man to come with the next foot of shoes. About 3 hours, Raga.
And I know him to get the other foot of shoes.
Come on with 1 foot of shoes.
You can't be telling a brother they find the one and them say, what you going to do with that? Him say, no worry yourself, man. I'm going to sell this, man.
Me I tell you, Raga, I'm going to sell the 1 pair of shoes for the fit. I think I must have 3-5 him the PSV. I'm going to sell the 2 foot of shoes for $7,000. Right?
All of that, you know. Could have the 2 foot, them, you know.
Just them man there told them smart, Raga, low for can people.
So when you say just selling 1 foot of shoes.
And sell somebody else the next foot. Me know see him do.
I want the man can get a poor little pit there come with 1 foot of shoes in that.
I tell you.
Why I tell you, say for downtown, Jadwa, that's not right. Trust me. Anyway, yeah, man, thanks to that one then. Yo, I'm going to talk about a can we run regular Reggae. I don't know if you ever experienced this yet. And we have to be careful because it kind of ticklish. All right. I know say enough man know that can ya. Enough man know that can ya. Big up the Broadcast Commission. Okay. You know, the broadcast commission, they manage the radios and, make sure so people not misbehave. Big up the broadcast commission, boy. All right, I know so enough man know that corner. Reggie know that corner. You must hear about that corner. I said to the ladies, them, so something can't go on. And them say, nah, because we stay so. And then if you bold enough, you go check. And then you go check and think them have up them things, But not that, Them have up them things, man. You know about that kind of, though. Enough of my running to know. Hey, it's a same Augusto there where I used to live. One time a war pop up there, Right? Cause my brother said, this thing can't last for 2 weeks. I tell you, a war broke up there, I want to come out and talk of things, man. But she wear her pee for 2 weeks and she take me for idiot. I'm ready for the thing, but nothing now run. Enough woman draw that door, Yeah. We can't really go in now on that too much. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
First time I'm in program.
Oh, welcome to the family.
Yeah, when I first hear about this program is when your incident, you remember that is a incident that gone with you?
Yeah.
That's the time I hear about your program.
Yeah.
I've been watching it from that, listening to it from that.
All right.
And it shortened my day at work. It made my day short.
Okay.
When I listen to it. I just want to tell you about a little incident that happened last night about that. I don't really think about duppy.
Yeah.
I always say that when somebody die, then just die.
Mm-hmm.
And if they don't die in Christ, or they say they were a sinner, as they say, then the devil form himself in them and then show himself. And then you say, Lord, look at my brother that day. That's how I used to think of it.
I see.
But hear what happened to me last night now.
Mm-hmm.
I was at home and I wake up 3 o'clock and I couldn't sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And I was feeling so down. I was thinking about a lot of things that are going on in my life right now that I break down. I start crying, and then I read my Bible, and then I lay down there and I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep from 3 o'clock right back till 4 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
And the phone rang. My daughter called me. She said, Mommy, call me back. I get a bad vision about you last night. And I call her back and she said, Mommy, you all right? I said, yes, I'm all right, because I lay down here from 3 o'clock and can't sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Our father died 2 years now
Mm-hmm.
in an accident. And she said to me, Mommy, I dreamed last night that Daddy come and, the spirit come and choke me. And And right now, I wake up, I feel weak. And my father come to me after and said to me, say, Joanna, your mother don't happy, Your mother cry. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. When she said to me, because I didn't say anything to her, I just said to her, all right, but me lay down here, can't sleep. She said, her father dream her and tell her that me crying. I'm not happy.
Really?
Yes.
And you and her never have any contact?
Never, because she came there early in the night, we were laughing and talking. When she go into my door, we laugh and talk and things. And I just go to bed and wake up, but I couldn't sleep. And everything started to come to me, and I started crying and talking to myself and all that. And behold, this man, she called me and tell me, say, our father dream and tell her, say, I'm crying. I'm not happy.
So what you think about that? What you think about that?
I don't know what to think. I keep on repeating it to myself and say, could this be true? Because I said they don't have any power. But then them say the Satan can use them spirit.
Okay. But why would Satan use the spirit for something that was obviously a good thing?
That was true.
That was a good thing.
Because it's just like I don't want
it's a harmless good thing. It would be the case where your past husband, your deceased husband is concerned about you.
I was crying, no, Jonah. I got up and I couldn't sleep, and a lot of things coming back to me, and I started crying. I was even calling him.
No, but I'm still asking you, given that Satan does not do good things, how do you explain that?
I don't know. I would like somebody to answer that question. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just amazed. I'm frightened.
Well, it is something.
I'm really crying. I'm really unhappy. And she tell me, say, her father come to her. She called me 4 o'clock this morning. So her father tell her, she me crying. How and hurt. I don't know.
And she don't tell her that. And she, hold on. And she don't tell her that you dream your father.
Huh?
She don't dream her father regularly, right?
No. When him just dead used to vision him, it was a long time nobody don't see them vision him.
All right, listen now, we're going to
I
talk.
tell him, my other daughter called me earlier too and said, Mommy, I want to talk to you. When you reach work, call me. So hear me to myself, Lord God, I wonder if him go vision she as well and tell her too, because I don't call her yet. No, this is strange.
Very curious, very curious. But all right, something for us to think about. Go and talk to some other caller now, but that one they look a bit puzzling, here.
And you know, I have a thing to tell you.
All right.
When he was alive, about my friend me and him go downtown to buy shoes for it.
Uh-huh.
When him come now, he put on the shoes in the morning.
Uh-huh.
Shoes tight on about him and wear go work. When him come back, him say, Mommy, him call him Mommy. So Mommy, I can't wear the shoes and tight. I said, what we are going to do? You wear it already. He said, no, I do. Get some soap and water. I will wash off the bottom clean, you know. And put it back in the box for a cat box. I would tell the man so that the shoes can't fit him for it tight. So the man just take it and change it and give me a new one.
All righty then. Regular thing going on for people got big shots to her, buy the dress them, wear them and thing, and so forth and carry them back. Sometimes, anytime you go foreign, I see people go, and you see that little tape there at the edge of them shoes. At the shoe bottom, a tape them put at the bottom so the shoes no mark up, because them I bring it back the next day. All right, you take care, yeah?
Yeah, man. All right, cool.
Yeah, man. A friend me go see that, you know. Hi, Raga. I'm happy to know that you're feeling much better. Now about the scam thing. I know this pastor, his name is... I cannot say his name, darling. I know you won't call his name on the air, but I can tell you who I'm talking about. Don't know if you've ever heard of him. He came to Jamaica more than once when I was living in Old Harbor, and he had a crusade there, and I went. There was this old lady I know who walked with a limp. One of her legs looks shorter than the other one. So sometimes I see her walking with a stick, and another time she walks without it. Anyways, I heard everyone talking about this pastor, so I went to see the miracles that he was doing. While I was there, I heard him talking about this lady that can't walk without her stick, and she has never walked without it for years. So when I went closer to the tent, it was the same old lady standing with the stick. So he was there telling her that she must drop the stick and walk. The lady was behaving like she was afraid to walk without the stick, and he was there telling her she can do it. This man who came with the pastor was standing near to her, so he took away her stick and told her to walk. She made a step like a baby who is afraid to walk. Then she started to walk around fast and praising God. When I saw that, I just jumped in a taxi and went home because I know she could walk without the stick because I saw her with my 2 eyes. There was this other man in a wheelchair that he said he healed, and people saw the man still in his wheelchair today. When his scam don't work, he said it's because they don't have any faith. Yes, a regular thing the church people them do. Raga, I'm still waiting for you to play back the snake show with the couple from India. Don't let those people who are complaining about waiting too long to talk steal your joy. Trust me, Raga, your show make a big difference in the morning. May God continue to bless you and keep you. Let me tell you something. A whole heap of churches out there. I get other church bad name because them a whole heap of can about miracles and this and that. Some of them just straight Ginalship. Some people just playing at the Ginalship too because them just a fool and giddy-headed and all them something there. Hello.
Yeah, man, Dr. Raga.
What you say?
Yeah, man, CK the pan spot, yeah.
Cool looking.
Yeah, man, my con still. It have to be in a Jamaica or it can be elsewhere.
No, man, elsewhere anyway, man.
All right, cool. So, let me tell about this one when we see witness. When we usually study in the UK, still usually stay with my cousin.
Yeah.
So, one evening, we see the man come in with his face long like a fish on donkey, may I tell you.
Mm-hmm.
The man come in and said, here what, CK, me have to tell you this, you know. Me never want to tell you still, but me have to show you what I go on. The man said, I come from work. You see. And on him way to the tube station, him see a car pull up with 2 men in it.
Yeah.
And him say, all right. The man him say, take out a case, a laptop case, and say, all right. You want me, I give him this laptop here for a real deal, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, him make him offer. Him say, him want £400 fees still.
Yeah.
So, him say, never have that amount of money, so if he can't take off something off it, he say, all right. He say, can't go up to 3.
Yeah.
300. So, him man say, all right. So, you can do then. And show him the laptop, take out everything, you know. Demonstrate and all of them things. So, he say, all right. I'm going to go over the cash point, go pull the money. And the man they go draw out the £300. And they say, man, the man say when he go down in the tube station and open the bag to look for him brand new laptop. 2 buckle of water him seen at this case. The man said, boy, see.
You know, I switch it for him when he go take out the money.
Wicked in the UK, you know. You see man a drive around in a car with laptop and thing, and then them can you. So when you gonna go get money,
draw the money,
them switch it.
Them switch it for you.
Yeah, switch it. The man said, boy, CK, I the first me ever pay so much for water. the man
I'm most expensive water that he ever get.
The most expensive water that he ever buy. The man stress him. The same thing happened to him brother too in a barking. But here what happened now, him catch back the brother them other day and beat up the brother them wicked, you know. Yeah man, them they all in up arrest him too.
Oh, for beat up the brother them. Well, they're probably on it to them too, you know.
Yeah, man. So
it's a regular candidate that run up the door.
Yeah, man, it's a regular thing, big thing. Because they usually, you know, on the TV and thing, they usually warn people and say people go around in a car. It's a big scam with a go on.
Okay.
Big scam.
Give him some expensive water, then, man.
Yeah, man, some very expensive water, me I show you. So what me I do, I pick up my one and only Miss Selma.
All right.
And Virgin, OJ and Yannick and Nadine and them people there.
Every time, man, every time.
Yeah, man. They have another thing to share with us still, but different issues still. Me make that stay for another day.
All right, cool, King.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, bless up here, CK.
Yeah, man. All right, cool.
Enough respect. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Morning, Raga.
Morning.
I mean, call the other day about the 16 bus them. Remember the man in there? I'm going to tell you how it take long to come.
Yeah.
Rainy Park.
Yeah.
It start run good, no, Raga.
It start run good?
Yes, man, but this man in them come 8:26.
And what time them for come?
Normal them pass like 6:30.
And them come 8:26
yeah, but
this month.
When you talk up the things them, I pay 6:35 them reach at Rainy Park.
Okay,
but this man, I don't know what go wrong. But anyway, so the duppy thing, the Raga, it's real, you know.
Duppy thing real?
Yeah.
Oh, you know it real?
It's real, because my mother dead from me at 6, you know.
Yeah.
And you see, years after my father find one woman and say I got married.
Yeah.
The woman man dead for years too, you know. But you see the day when I'm married, Raga?
Yeah.
Every food they share, them a lick it out, man. The two people, them a get mad and lick it out because jealousy start pop.
What you mean them lick out the food?
Everybody food a dash for Raga.
Food does a dash for, sir?
That's a dash for about the place.
So
you just see, the food just, everybody will learn but you don't know how it just a drop.
So you know a duppy a box out the food?
Then Raga. Most of my food are white rice. A duppy food that, you know?
A duppy food?
White rice, a duppy food, you never know. And then love curry with it, you know?
No, man, duppy no love curry. Me never hear that yet. Duppy no love curry. Me never hear that yet. Duppy no love curry.
No, Raga.
Me never hear of duppy a love curry yet.
All right, Raga. Cook and pot of curry.
Me?
And your white rice?
No, don't talk so because I happen to love curry.
I make you stay all Spanish stove for 1 2 days and you will see.
And 2 days and see what happen.
Yeah.
What? Then we eat it out?
Yeah.
You are telling me, say, no, me cook curry and leave it on the stove. Them all going to play up tonight and eat it out.
Yes, Raga.
Oh, you know duppy love curry.
Raga, a curry food. Me know that. You see my father say if I know my mother something wrong.
And that your father say?
So. Yeah, cause she not from she dead, she not left my father, you know, so I'm most jealous of Raga.
From she dead, she not left your father?
Not left it. Anyway, my father dead, she can't know.
Oh, you know.
Anyway.
Oh, you know. Oh.
Him tell we.
Him what?
Him tell we.
When tell us, what she do?
All right, my father also left from Clarendon and go all and back to work.
Yeah.
And every morning there's this bat where travel with my father go work.
Like when him a drive?
Yes. the
back
does
have...
Him know, say she say, nah, right.
All in the midday, the bat have...
In bed with her till he go back in the yard.
Okay, so she don't left him on.
She don't left him.
But that is a long-standing love, man.
So, exactly.
I say like
I saw me and look, you know, Raga, long-standing thing to, you know, say, come, let me take it from her, don't it?
I saw you love too?
Yeah.
So, if when you pass, you have to text it, so too?
No, man.
Okay.
My pass, me gone.
You're gone?
Me gone.
But
Raga, you see, I'm a grandfather.
Yeah.
Him dead years none, you know, the two more fixed.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like, it's some crack round it. You can't, like, look down in there, but you not see nothing, you know, it's just like a dark thing you see down in there.
Yeah.
When I go country, I really look, you know, so when I talk about the two more, it's 10 to 1, look about, you know, say, my grandmother said to me, say, you know, say, one of our cousins dream him, and him say, he might get wet up.
Oh, yeah, me hear about them kind of dream.
Yeah, so it won't fix.
So
that's why I might get wet up. When the rain fall, I might get wet up.
I might get wet up, okay. And we can't have that.
But, Raga, you see, the can thing, it real, you know.
Yeah, quick, yeah.
I have two friends and two one overseas now. You see one of the friends?
Yeah.
You see when them dress up, Raga, two of them, and tie up for their head.
Yeah.
Money like crazy, you know, Raga. Because they say them a read a money. You see when them a read up people, Raga, them all laugh and they quiet when them a do it, you know. Them all laugh and they quiet when them a do it. Raga. You see when you see them all like a morning time, because even time they must say morning time when you book them and them a tell you where they go on with. Them a laugh after people, and them say, so them read up another person, the money come. So it's real.
So weird. So them, are your friend them, but them they are foreign and I wrap up their head and I look like Obia man and them.
No, them used to do it out here.
Them used to do it out here?
Yeah, them used to make money like crazy.
And them gonna foreign and do it now?
One gonna foreign, me say, he might do it over there, but the other one out here, they don't really know the trade. So the other one I find I try to get him over there for them mash up the place and make some crazy money.
Oh, so but the one I find I rinse beer cash, no?
Yeah.
I think and all him I do a beer Ginalship with the reading.
Ginalship.
And when you say when them attack with them when I talk to you, be laughing the man. And man I tell you what them tell the people them do.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Hear them stop Raga and make some look a laugh and start again. And people don't say I laugh.
I laugh for them and I tell you say the dopey are laughing at them and them something they do.
Yes.
And thing. But that's one of the biggest can out here too, you know. You have enough Obeah can man out there.
You know that, because when my friend I get can right now, you know.
Oh.
She I get can man, because somebody will carry her going, don't tell the Obeah man where she a come about. And she go down and read the man just start pack up everything. So you see, Raga pay can in a go and...
Well on there now. You have somebody I carry the person to the Obeah man.
And don't tell the reader man.
But the person who I carry the person to the Obeah man, don't tell the Obeah man the person business already.
Yes, Raga.
And so when the person got him, I said, Jesus God, then how him know them there's something there. I mean, never see this man from about,
When to draw the first card, the Raga, they was like, why you not people married life I do? She start by Raga, because the man start to read her up. But yeah, Raga. Tomorrow I can't finish tell about it, Zin.
No, man, tell me no, man. Don't that one that quick.
You know, so if you come out, if you make it and talk.
No, but just done that one since 1 minute left for the break. Just done that one.
Raga,
yeah,
And when the man said, draw one of that child and start to like, hear him. Hey, then give a couple of days to leave. You should not live, you know. Then she start fret through what the belly start hurt her, Raga. She start fret to see him, say go. Then hear the reader man, $4,000 come get about Thursday. Me I go make you whole her down.
Whole her down.
So she said, we don't really want to kill nobody, you know. So the friend I say, you know, you the reader man, no, you're not going to kill her. Me I go make you whole her down. You see the dope shot send up on you to kill you. Me I go make you conquer the dope. You go hold on dope. So the dope can't trouble you no matter what they do. Then just have to go back off. And Raga, show the woman no call her friend. She got the woman no kill her. Dead it start work already.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
Reader man, them make up their money.
No, my reader man, them a beard. But unfortunately, sometimes some people.
Raga, a health product me sell no GNLD. Health product me a director in a GNLD. Golden Year Life company, you know. And when you go to people, you know, about their health, you know, they might tell about much money. And you say, Raga, you say, then God, the Obeah man tell them $1 million. Anyway, they find, you know.
Them a find it. Them a find it. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Anyway, respect for them reasoning there, yeah?
Yeah, man, all right.
And you take care. Hey, that one the bad way, you know. It's like, you know, somebody say, I look at Obeah man, I can't carry too. But you don't tell the Obeah man the person business already, you know. So when you carry the person, they never talk to Obeah man and say, yes, look how you go dropping your yellow blouse, what dear. Let me take them and say, Jesus have mercy, then how him know that? How him know that? And next, that's an instant referral, you know. No, man, that one is a bad man. Oh, you don't know about me? Go on. And then put them. It's a con, people. To the phone lines, we go top of the morning to you. Hello.
Morning.
Okay, morning.
Yes, Raga?
Yeah, man.
You're asking about jokes, con?
About what?
Con.
Con, yeah, man.
Biggest con. Yeah, yeah, man have a girl pregnant for him over 12 months. Serious thing, you know.
Careful, there have been a few instances where for whatever reason...
I called the doctor in front of him and I said to him, there's no way a woman can be pregnant for so long.
About what on do? What may I say? You have a few instances where due to some weird kind of sickness, some woman pregnancy...
The woman got big, man.
Some woman pregnant... Well, I know. Yeah? Some woman pregnancy kind of stretch out, you know, and thing. But I've never heard of 12 months, though.
Well, the man tell me, say... The belly big and me don't know. It's something wrong. I'm look at the lady and I say, then I put them that swell up. So I say something wrong. Man say, yeah man, it's swell. It look bigger than the last time. I see, yeah, she gain weight.
So weird. So all this thing end up now?
When I think him getting some house problem, he had to move.
Uh-huh.
And the woman pack up her thing then the day when they move and say, I don't want to idiot for David.
And that she say?
Yes.
So she don't want to eat that for David?
Yeah.
Because probably she cannot con him so long now, about 12 months pregnant.
And I mind the baby, you know.
And him mind the baby so long too.
Mind the belly, yeah. And not only that, him have the girl daughter call him and say, yeah man, I'm pregnant can't so long. Him buy pants, shimmies, every damn thing.
Then by the whole night I spend money.
Exactly.
Wow.
When we have a virgin, go check him the day now. Virgin say she'll come the day.
Uh-huh.
At 10 months, you can't be going to work, you know. You're supposed to be bedridden.
Oh. So she's 10 months pregnant and I work same way.
Exactly. So we'll meet her around the road and walk fast.
I walk.
Let's see where she starts slow down and hold the hip.
When she walk fast, I want you to she slow down and I hold her hip.
Yeah, man.
Because the money are coming, though.
Exactly.
Straight con, man. All right, Papa.
Anyway, I want to give my condolence to the coach, Herb.
Herb McKinley. Family of Herb McKinley, of course.
Yeah,
all right.
Him change a lot of us life, you know.
What there, man? Hey, no, when we there, we watch Asaf and we watch Veronica Campbell and whatever. Them for understand, say, Herb McKinley and Film Crew lay the foundation.
All right,
for them get them boss so them are going straight Calabar, yeah? Right. Enough respect, yeah?
Yeah, man, go.
Amen. Morning, Doc. This one is about the guys on the road downtown that sell shoes. I hear a humming thing, as a Reggie. Okay, gone. Morning, Doc. This one is about the guys on the road downtown that sell shoes. My friend was passing one morning when one stopped him. The seller was so convincing, he had to check the shoes out. When he reached the stall, he was amazed at the cost of the shoes. They were cheap, he said. My friend says the guy begged him $100. He thought about it, then he just gave him the money. My friend says after purchasing the first pair of shoes, he said the man at the stall offered him a deal that if he buys a next pair, he would get it for half the price. The seller said to him, put the shoe down and let us talk. So he did. After talking and decided to purchase the other pair, he noticed that the first pair was gone. My friend started to ask the seller, how come he must have thief around his stall? The owner pretended as if he had no idea what was going on. My friend got upset and decided to leave. By the time he reached out the front, he saw the guy who carried him around the stall and tell him what took place. The guy said, hold on. He went away and returned with the shoes and carried him one side and said, you are good youth. But is the boss planet? The person who took away the shoes would get $500 for stealing back the shoe from the customer and give the boss. Jesus. Reggie, you hear that one there? I tell you, the man will sell the shoes, you know. But them have a look man who them set up for thief back the shoes, you know. And when a man is successfully thief back the shoes, him give him a nanny. Give him a $500. And then that shoes will go back and sell. So I just sell and thief. And I know if you go on anywhere down there, the man that will talk it out, you see me? I think, boy, it's a breed I can. Yeah, man, what could say? All right, give me a call. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, morning, Raga.
Yeah.
You talk about can. You see my uncle?
Yeah.
Crab it hombre. In the army, everything, you know.
Uh-huh.
And you see my grandma, she usually go Panama and Haiti and buy and come back home sell.
Yeah.
And he must say to me, say, boy, gee, she don't look like she have a whole lot of money she reach. I said, no, man, left your mother. What's wrong with you? Anyway, a lady live beside that way. Always a rope a bottle tie up with water and thing and say she now behind her son and stop broke my granny house.
Mm-hmm.
And him sit down listen to my granny and say, all right, I'm going to carry her out. I say, where you carry her go? He must circle who I rob her out. And him set up him friend to be a hubby man and him carry my granny. And you know, say, when the man don't talk to my granny, him say, and who the young fella out there, sure your son, bring him in, because my spirit I tell me something about him too. And him bring him in. She have to pay for she and pay for him, you know. So I read for him too, you know. And a bad set up all for she, you know. Come back, you know. And it's like every month, my uncle have him come, make sure come sit down and talk to her for hear what go on or where the woman or what she think. And him go tell the man, set up him friends to set up the house, like say, I'm a reader man and deal with my granny man. My granny, my granny find out and cut off all my uncle man. Yeah, man, that's what people say when them see where you have them want it. Then can you out it, man. And one mother him can out that fair money.
One mother?
Yeah, and him a soldier and he can out it.
Why, I tell you some people, cool.
Remember,
me tell you some people, cool. Anyway, enough respect here.
Aye.
Okay. All right, I hear me now. We're not big enough, you know, but you see the people them out there who are throw ice pan people out stop at night time, make them think a stone. And then after the ice melt and the people them go up there and see no stone pan them out stop. Them convince a duppy. Then on conveniently make a warrior man come sort them out for the right amount of money. On the wicked. Again, to the people them watch your ice, but the people them out stop at night time. Make them think a stone. Then one of them wake up and I look for stone on the house top and I sit on. And no so they hear things drop on the house top the night before. I convince you duppy. They want to conveniently set up over man for help them for ward off the spirits and the duppy them who supposedly are to a stone on a wicked. Hey, something will go out of that country. Reggie, if you really think about it. A long time that they both do, you know. Destroying ice on people house top and people wake up and I see nothing because them think a stone. A long time that I go out of only in Jamaica. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, you can't catch me with that. Good morning, Raga.
Good morning.
Sunshine, how are you?
Hi, what's up? I'm not trying to get you that look at business there, but not talking now. Go on. I have to wait till Sprucey and married up on the line. So what I got
say hello to Mary and everybody.
All right.
I'm okay. Boy, I enjoyed the program this morning.
Oh, you did?
You got me cracking.
Oh, for real? Okay.
I'm going on the road and I have to wait until after 12.
All righty.
I had a little joke to give you.
Uh-huh.
I know this man. You see, it's not one of those that you're going to. I know this man. He went to KFC. As I hear, he was on the KFC topic.
Uh-huh. On the what?
So the KFC thing that he was talking about.
Oh, KFC. Yeah.
Yes. He went to KFC.
Uh-huh.
And he bring this igloo in there.
Uh-huh.
And the security said, no, you can't catch the igloo. You can't fold the igloo.
Uh-huh.
They said to the security, say, okay, you sure it's me I drink, you won't stop me? The security said, you can't drink, let me stop you. So the man said, okay. So the security said, you can go on. And the man got 17 cup Raga. The security said, no, go back.
17 cup.
17 cup of juice, you know?
No, I bet I didn't make them full of igloo. No, but some people then go and bad and go in there with them bag in a KFC. Yes. And they take out one little thing and whatever. One of them, see with a hose, you know?
Oh, my God.
Let me tell you what them do. They have the hose kind of running and one little thing in a bag. So them have the bag. Them put the bag to the side of the soda thing. And I two of them, you know. And then the hose the right under the something, you know. So when the juice are run, the two of them stand at their attack, but the thing are running up back of them. And them just they attack, and juice are running up. No, if you can go to your way, if you got thief sword at them way, then no.
my God.
In a big case, you know, not the heights of carelessness.
Yes,
that.
what I mean. Yes, what I mean.
Anyway.
So you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, man. They are
well,
well
you have the world going. Nobody can stop you.
Cool, no blessings and
You're
respect.
for the world. You're for the world. Oh, I want to send greetings to somebody special.
Please do.
Miss Brown, she's from All the Light. She and my sister. Every evening she come in, I have to tell her all about the show.
All right.
So she always listening.
All right.
And they saw you at Papine one day, and they said, "We are you humble? It's not you on the radio at all."
Oh, me?
Yes, you.
Okay.
I will tell you when they see you.
All right, that's cool. I saw my role, man. I saw my role.
All right, girl.
I saw my role. All right?
Yes.
All right, then straight blessings, yeah?
Yes, take care.
Everything is everything. Yeah, man, cool. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello, I'm looking at Ruth Levy's curls right now. Ruth, flash your curl left. Flash your curl left. Flash. Rotate. Flash it back. Don't use your hand and bring it back. Bring it back. There you go. Rotate. Work it, girl. Okay, Reggie, I'm dead. Top of the morning to you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
So, Raga, I have a look at that this morning. I have to beat her, you see.
Wait.
I have a look at thing with them get at school.
Uh-huh.
For the children them who buy lunch and what them a buy, right? She doesn't know no more than go on a week, eat at their time and use it for sponsorship and beg people.
Wait. Hold on. How that one they go?
She have a little paper, right?
Yeah.
The children them like tell her what like your name Ragashanti. Then put Ragashanti there.
Uh-huh.
How what you buy?
Uh-huh.
How much money you spend for you buy?
Okay.
So she doesn't know about that, go around with it and say she'll make sponsor for so and so.
That's your daughter, though?
Yes.
So what are they though? So you mean just walk up on the road and I do them something?
Yes, I'm a big her up, man. I'm a beat her this morning, Raga. This morning, one of my friends, she can make mistake and beg.
Oh, and I saw you hear about it.
I forgot about her this morning, man.
And give it to her.
Yes.
Because you have to put her in check, you know, because when sometimes the young ladies end up do certain things, I saw them start out, you know.
Yeah, man, she too old, man.
I think so she use it.
She beg.
Say
what? What she beg for? Real hope.
Real hope. My God.
The poor people picking away. We want to go to school and go to class.
And she sit down and figure that out, you know, so just tell them real hope, man. And them collect money. I think. Well, you know, them said they don't spare the rod and spoil the child, you know, but you know, you don't want to get too rough on her, but you have to, you know, communicate to her that what you're doing is wrong and she must stop it. All right? Yeah, man, blessings. And that the picnic ain't no easy. I take our lunch paper, girl, and I said, donate to Ray of Hope. Here we go, top of the morning to you. Hello. Okay. I try to catch somebody to them, but I can't catch somebody. Hello.
You take it on the water. Put it in the water, man. That means they walk, so you put it in the water. I'm paying long in the one. Oh, good. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Where baby there?
Good.
Where baby there? Put baby in the water. I want to go out there so in picnic now. I want to go out there so with the baby. Oh, all right. So I go down.
There, man.
Mm-hmm.
And I want to talk to you.
Oh?
And I want to talk to you, man.
Quite sure.
No, man, you don't hear me say. I say I don't want to talk to you.
No, I'm going to pick up your voice.
You don't pick up my voice, man. That's the same girl, man. The bye girl, man.
Oh! Do you mind? I don't feel comfortable calling you the bisexual girl. Do you mind? Do you have another name you want me to refer to you as?
Debbie.
Debbie, all right, me call it Debbie. I'm not comfortable calling you the bisexual girl. You know? So what's going on, Debbie?
Why, things kind of rough away. Because a beating and go on.
Beating with where?
Right, Monday, because changed her mind again and gone back over. To be a fully that person, because I be a beating. I want to come beat me up on him something. I not work with that.
Who?
The baby father, man.
The baby father?
Yeah.
Okay. So why am I beat you for?
Eh?
Where am I beat you for?
You know want me, you know want me have fun with my friend them and you just want me for himself, you know want to give me nothing.
Okay.
You just want me to stay in the house all day and I go nowhere and them something them. Can't work with that.
Okay, but I thought you said that he was okay with it.
Yeah, he was, but I don't know what flop in their head now. I don't know what wrong with him. He just change their mind. And
So I went in change, you know?
a few weeks ago, I think them have a fight on Saturday, and not because if you go play a football match and never get to go because he said, I'm not feeling fear and I'm going nowhere and something.
Okay, but about a minute ago, you did a laugh a little bit about something. I want to go on this around you. Huh?
Hello?
A minute ago, me a little snicker like you did a laugh or a smile about something. What happened around you? What happened around you make you laugh a while ago?
Make what Raga?
Me hear you laugh.
Somebody there talk to me and me say, listen to something.
Okay.
My neighbor there talk to me and she ask me, you know?
Okay. So how you going to deal with this, you know?
Well, I don't know what I'm going to do, but somewhere, somehow, I'm going to try to deal with it.
Okay. Well, I wouldn't advise you for be accepting that type of treatment and things, so you need to do something about it. I said I wouldn't advise you to be accepting that type of treatment, so you need to do something about it, all right?
Some burning I go on, though.
Burning?
Yeah, man.
What do you mean? Like burning with whom, I mean?
It's a burning with you, like I know one man have money.
Yeah, burn your baby father with a man. Eh?
At Christmas night, I know it's a burning half figure on, you know.
Okay. You just be careful, yeah?
Yeah, man. Hey, upon the topic, I just have a way there, you know.
Real quick. Just a minute, yeah?
The dopey thing?
Yeah.
Me say dopey there, you know.
Dopey there?
What?
You sure?
The man dopey there, man.
All right.
Believe me, say dopey there still. You see what the thing when you never would talk, but if I marry, she say when you wash a man's shoes.
Yeah.
I tell you a true thing.
If you what did go again?
If you wash or clean a man's shoes, you get something like beat you or treat you away or something.
Okay.
After that, no, me hear she talk and me I look into it and I true think that can happen to me.
Well, hear me now, them I do the news, but you just make sure you take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, then. You take care.
Yeah.
Quick email right here. Hi, Raga. This happened to me and my sister one Christmas season. Our mother sent us downtown to shop for some things. My sister and I went into a store to purchase a camera. A lady approached us saying that she saw a guy behind us, like he was trying to rob us. She then said that she was going to show us how to hide our money. We had already purchased some unshelled gungo peas. So the lady took the money from us, pretending as if she was putting it into the bag with the peas. At the same time, we were about 14 years old. When we were ready to purchase the camera, there was no money. It looked like the lady took off like lightning because we don't see her hear from her. All know me and my sister not tell mommy, Raga, you sure sell off. Listen to you every day. Seeing? You know, one day interested. Yo, the one yesterday with the woman who going at the furniture store downtown. With the man I walk around and I show her the furniture in the store, you know. And, you know, probably I discuss it and probably have a knowledge about the furniture them and then make she sit on her seat and take her money cards, you know. She put a down payment for the furniture and thing. And then they sit on and wait. I'll know, hey, some people bull, you know. Remember me, hey, because all that me listen that carefully, you know. That's why we want to say enough respect to the store them now who make the people them wear uniform. So if you're going to the furniture store there and think, yeah, wear uniform, better be careful because people will pick up a which store because you know the other one that the people them not wear uniform. Eh? I think, no, but a uniform I feel do it. Here we go, top of the morning to you, hello.
Raga.
Wow.
Wow, Papa.
Why am I not there, King of Juggler, you see me?
He got some man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to touch on that thing there, Raga.
Senna.
Raga.
Yeah.
Well, me thinks I couldn't get it in Raga.
Yeah, man, I think no man couldn't call me Raga.
You see?
It's a Maypen Hospital, man.
Maypen Hospital, what
Maypen
happened?
Hospital, Raga. My youth, I carry my youth, God, after Maypen Hospital. I'm a buck up on a brother, Raga. And the man walk on to me when I'm most decent, you know. I said to me, my youth, if whenever time you have sex, try use a condom, my youth. So you see right now, me a dead from AIDS, my youth. Me a dead from AIDS, my youth. And me a tell you right now, it a get to all my mind, my youth. Me can't manage it. Feel like right now, me will take my life. At the same time, my youth, me hungry, my youth. And me got all a prescription to fill right here, so. And the man take out legitimate document and show me, man, and me look on the documents and man, I say, boy, my youth, me can't help you now because my youth sick right now and I'm survival. Anything. Even a bill from it. Anything can do it. And me I tell you something hard. Goes out to man, Raga. Me send on 3 bills for the man, you know.
You see it, you see it.
I go in the corner, I buck him and I tell him, man, you know, me deal a full on the fellow go, I love you. And next man, it's like a planting, you know, between the two of them in a Raga. And next man, I take it here, like him, I rotate it, and next man again, and the two of them are switch and I make it switch. And I walk up to him and I say to him, I really that you do to me. Go and run down here and go and make fun after here.
Yeah, you catch you.
Yeah, man, take it, man, big time, man.
You see it. Shania. Send on. Send on.
Yeah, man, because you have some man from the corners of them only 24/7, you see. Man, like Brother Love, otherwise known as Sample, them man, they have 2 donkey I sell right now, 2 Jimmy donkey.
Hold on. He must sell 2 donkey?
Yeah, man, they might have 2 donkey from the corner I sell right now.
Hold on, but what kind of donkey them name?
Jimmy donkey them.
Jimmy donkey? Ginny?
Yeah, man, I do Ginny donkey, man.
What kind of donkey that? Me never know. So you have different kind of donkey?
Well, you have to ask Brother Love, because Brother Love seems to be a man of donkey specialist, so know everything about donkey them.
So he must sell 2 Ginny donkey?
Yeah, man, he must sell 2 Ginny donkey for the corner, man.
I was saying?
Yeah, man, some have them. May I tell them to put 5 seal across them back, you know, so people can know still, you know. Yeah, man, tell them donkey they are sell out, you know. Yeah, man, but them man, they tune into your program 24/7 just like that, you know.
You see it, you see it.
Man, like Black Joke, see him here.
Hold on, what name?
Black Joke.
Hold on then. Hold on. Him name Black Joke.
Yeah, man.
Black Joke.
Yeah, man.
So
I didn't name that, man.
So Fiend Joke Black. I won't get that the name there.
Boy, you see community, man, them, we make things, you see me, I say, we make good thing, man, yeah, man, like Brother Love, I man, the holy orders, you know? Yeah, man, I peace, man, that Brother Love, so when you come to and you ask the Brother Love, you can't find Brother Love, a sample name, you know, because it's a sample, man, you know? That man, make you laugh.
Hold on, but which area this? Which area this?
Portland Cottage right down in a car, and I ice man I talk to you, man.
Cool looking?
Yeah, man, a Portland Cottage, man, you don't know between the border, Rocky Point and Portland, you know, with the right in the center.
Yeah, when I get touch up with flood one at a time, you know.
Yeah, man, every time, no one at a time, every time.
All right, then.
Yeah, man, but I say set up, you know, we know for Billy Five, you know.
So, yeah, man, so Black Joke, am I right, you know?
Yeah, Black Joke, Chris.
All right. I hope so, you know. We don't want things to start get all on the white joke or anything. Yeah. All right, then.
I saw the thing set up, see, Papa.
Every time, man. All right.
All right, my lord.
Maximum. Black Joke. Me wouldn't want a name like that. Nobody call me Black Joke, you know. Not that no sound. Big up Black Joke. Here we go. Top of the morning to you. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Mr. Stewart.
Oh, this Big Bird! Big Bird! Where you say Big Bird?
Well, go on, Mr. Stewart.
Hey, may I tell you, say you make a talk with you, may I tell you. But no, if they know, it did funny to me, but may I say the people, them hold on pan everywhere me go it arrange. Yeah, you remember when you said that you saw, because all of your brothers and sisters them get ring, and you not get no ring, and you can live for the ring all the way pan tour, and you not get... Hey, make I tell you something, Big Bird. I one of the biggest thing out there on the road. The people, they love it so till. Them say, them say, why you pop that one, them man? You then laugh till a week. Say you not getting a ring, you know, man. And it's funny, you know, that a woman will identify with that more, because a woman more find it funny, you know. I said them not getting a ring and then go live for see a ring and wear upon tour. And then I get none. So what I got on, Big Bird?
I'm there taking your show, you know, man.
You see?
I know for a long time, and you make me happy, you know, man.
Cool.
Ever, from over so till now, every time.
All right.
Don't know your love, you know.
You see it.
And my love in my belly, just a boil up for you.
All right, cool, no? Sure.
Can't stop that.
You know, boy, in the canna, in it, Ginalship.
That's true. At 20 odd years, me work downtown, you know. Downtown at the heart of can, you know.
You see it?
Down there, dictionary for can, you know. So me can't tell you about can, you know.
Yeah, so rinse some of them food, huh?
So, but me I will tell you about two serious one, you know, where happen, you know.
All right, well, I will break and we'll come back and rinse them, here.
Yeah, man.
Don't move, Big Bird, we'll come back. Yeah, man, welcome back up in our same thing. What we said, this hour, the real Jamaican talk show with me, Mr. Washbelly Ragashanti, wants some blessings and respect to all Massive and Crew. And yeah, the topic of the week is, what are some of the biggest Ginalship you ever observed? What are some of the biggest can we run? All right, now we have one of our family members online, Big Bird, who worked downtown some 20 years or so, and so she know about some can and things. So yeah, man, tell me what I go on, Big Bird.
Yes, Mr. Stewart. First of all, I must send my condolence to Mr. Earl Mackenzie family.
Yeah,
and,
for real.
I hope he may get the strength to hold on, you know.
Proper thing.
And he has done us proud.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican, and I know, you know that his memory will live on.
You see it.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So first part, yeah, man. You see, downtown, I tell you about down there, but I will tell you about too, because they have the paint can down there.
The what?
Paint
can.
Yeah, man, they sell the paint and put the little paint on top, and when you go home, appear mud. Yeah, man.
How them do it?
Then they put little paint on top, Raga, man.
So them put mud at the bottom.
Yes.
And just put the paint on the top of the mud.
And then when you buy them, just throw it up and show you and say, see it there, man.
That's it.
Them have the aisle one.
The
cooking aisle is in the, like, say, corn aisle, and them back where you can see a little aisle, and when them throw it in water. I won't for that, man.
But how them make you see your aisle? What?
They not put little aisle like that, Mr. Shanti, you don't know, say aisle swim for water. And when they lean and throw it little in a car, and say, see them, man, I hustle them and wholesale, you know, and I sell you cheap, you know.
So them just hustle it at wholesale and just buy it at wholesale and I sell it cheap.
So
but I be a water in it, but through the aisle float pan top the aisle.
Yes.
Where the backside is
there? Fitted sheet.
Fitted sheet.
Yeah, man, them wrap up that in a wrap up a whole heap of something and get a pretty piece of material, you know. And put over the cardboard and the old clothes and something them in there and wrap it and tape it good, you know. And show you there, so you know, you see pretty piece of thing, you know. You buy it and them sell it cheap. You say when you go and pull it, all clothes pack up in there, all paper and something, you know.
So it's not a sheet set.
A whole heap of that, man. But me I want to tell you about two serious kind of when me see happen. This girl, she have a child for a man, you know.
Yeah.
But the man is married.
Yeah.
So the man used to work at one of them place up at all kind of place. So the man used to mine her, you know, and get her money. So anyway, she started right up herself too much and the man wife find out. So like him want to match up the man life and things. So the man started to stop come here. But the man send on the child money every week. Come give her for the child. And people say no, like she get greedy now, she don't want the child it's sick for real too, you know, and go and admit in the hospital.
Right.
She don't do a thing but call the man tell her say the child dead.
She call the man and tell the man say the pitney dead?
Yes.
And then what happened? But she still get money.
She was getting money. But she greedy. Me don't know what stuff neither greedy. She greedy. She pull a can now to get some money from the man for burial money or something. But I don't know how it work out after the man find out. But the child was really sick in the hospital.
Right.
It's not a joke business. That's true something.
Me know, but when I say what she do not make sense, it not make sense to run the can when the pitney sick, because as long as the pitney sick, more money I run. Than for God say the pitney dead.
She said the child dead, the man come
so a big money she want then?
Yes, the man come now, Mr. Stewart. And him no bother go to her and just stop at the parlor. Pay the parlor man that says so and so, how much we so and so burial and thing, you know? And get the earth. When them go down there and call in and say, where the yard, where the number there, where the child were dead. So them come to pick up the body. Not a child, that we know, so the little girl in the hospital.
Oh, but she didn't want the money?
Yeah.
She didn't want the money directly?
Yes.
I tell you.
So when the child get better, the man just take away the baby.
Oh.
She want all and she lose all.
You see it?
Yeah.
I have a whole heap of woman out there who use picnic them way there.
Yes.
Them just focus on money with the picnic.
Yes.
Okay. But you say you have one next one, I know.
One again now. This guy was working and him lose him job. Them delay him off. So him not have any money. Rent you and all him something. So
yeah.
Him father, they told me up at St. Mary.
Uh-huh.
Him go back tell him father say him mother dead. She's another dead. Say him mother dead.
Uh-huh.
So the man take up some money and give him and say, boy, if he help out at a funeral and if he come back and come tell him when I have a funeral.
Mm-hmm.
Him know say mother don't dead, so him couldn't go back and tell the father nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Him no come, him the mother don't know nothing. So one day happens to say no, the mother go country. So him go a district, you know, and they have the different districts.
Mm-hmm.
So him say, all right, him will make a call, go look for the man. Him down at the bottom of me a ground now. See the woman a come, Mr. Stewart. And I call the man. That is something for him for real, you know, because some of them, you know, you know.
Wait, who see the woman a come?
The father.
See the woman a come, but the father, up to this point, the father believe the mother dead.
Yes.
So the father see the woman a come now, who are the mother, and what happened?
A little hill, so he might come and I call him.
The mother call him?
Yes. The man drop the cutlass.
Where the...
A piece of running. I said, love, left me. Left me. You come and hear me and you left. When you want me. When you not left me. Run. Run, Mr. Stewart.
Oh, God. I can't just imagine it.
The mother come back, come talk, you know.
Eh?
Mother come back,
come
talk. When them holy man, now you got man, dead. No, so and so come say you're dead.
Oh, God. Poor him, guy. Because who... If the son come and tell us his mother dead, why would that be a lie, you know?
Yes.
So as far as he's concerned, the woman really dead for true.
So
him farmer baby mother.
Yes.
I think so when him see her come down the road, they must say, Papa Jesus! And when she come and go, left me alone.
Me. You come and hear me, you left. You come call me for love. The man and them rub up when you rub up the man, them say the man come back. The man say yes.
So we to near the pass out now.
Yes.
They have put on some beer rum for him.
Rub him up.
So white rum.
And the sun come.
No, but just imagine him and see her. I come and say she name Joyce. He was say, but wait, the Joyce that. Jesus have mercy, I wish I go and miss you come.
That's true. When the mother come and tell me, so two of them I see, so every time I see me laugh, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I say you, every day I see you, I feel laugh for you, though. See? So,